Nebra be Ramo Maso na ndupa no omo ana abo modern edi bia bedwama so a ofa bebia ankofo edidi onkoma na se nete obofo heba mixture ne kan ye odin a odo Ramo bebia ozupe OB4 heba mixture na yere ababa be Ramo dwama so a onye bi na agba atumu zampa eboa na wegyan una so na ne makoyi pa etimi ediama na ebeboa atimo janani untinum na esisi no ebeboa etimi ababa mu ze ne wa nanse acho nan no nsa mayor five dunya typhoid fever dunya odo Ramo bibia so po bofo heba mixture last chance eba na pomdin fie no 0574 353 707 0574 353 707 0531 541 755 0531 541 755 niambwa na ne man koye pemfa na two brushes outdoor na any toothpaste no de ebeboa na ma ose no na ye fitefita pampam bi ye de fi wonum no e na afia boa ma se achinam na nya ahoden ose no so nya ahoden esma so no wetimi era bobo ndompe mu no patcho e fibo ventures na abomode de sa brushes no ababa bebaze ye wo Ashford Prince e ye de man kwara me man keto no Ashford Princess eko e de man kwara mba ya keto no Ashford evidence eko e de mo bibia for executive Ashford friendly ne wo Ashford Galaxy na unya bi na yusu ahuzampa wanya de pa na toothpaste outdoor na e de aba no Afi fresh herbal toothpaste get clear toothpaste alloy toothpaste and a peppermint ebeboa wonum ni be hwehwe na ya bia etimi de fi opeba ko na do number ni 0241 545 0241 545 na 0200 600 934 0200 600 934 no one aba Ramo dwama so na jibi na tone emboa na ne man koye pemfa mana ne enupre di fi India ba kofo naji eyusu eboa emoma punde pa e true world omundro no yeri true world vision capsules na ba wani na enhede hu ade papa kokwa didi so afi so krate esi wani so a oro Ramo bebi a osi India fo ndro na ede aba ye friend true world vision capsules no ye ma bia beboa ma ne ma koye pere ama wo ye be ma na o prostate no wa chase nyenya ha bi wo ho a me pa cho Ramo omundro a ye friend prostate live no se ye ma bunya bi na agba obonse eboa na yisa ha no nyina etime efi ho match ne sete a ujina mema ya namu enkonkoba da bijo entotom papa so enunti ena true otom ndupa na ye friend male fortis no ewo so okọ na akọkọji esa aboakra na wakono no apejam no ejia na so joint fortis no eye de ma ye footballers no uye obi aye adwumaden o wa so nsa na frichi untinu nsimu twetwon unye bi na abo eboa na isa ha no nyina if your lady fort ye de ma baby girls no ebesiesie mfi obebi abetwa yopo ebe ya akono pampam bi obi efi o na aboa ama ne ma koye de ama bosome so obu nsa na e kan odwea oro Ramo pharmacy bia osia ma lady fort ni bi no ma bomode e de active core cleanse no ababa be ram active for cleanse no ejuma ye no na no e den dodo ni nyina nze boa e bie ntini mu esanti mojanani esan boa ma ye nso no e ye ho ejuma kama kama pantu ye obi a wafu ahye waye to twe saa ma ne kra body shape no ai bibio okọ ejana bia so a utimi nya ne ye na afa so kra no e wo a hu sampa ne ma nhyara de da ye etimi amfa ma wasi ne no true water modro na friend active core cleanse no upe before mana mano ni omon kasa pharmacy aba shop bia omundo na busu 0206 595 707 0206 595 707 0558 724 302 0558 724 302 niamwa nane manko ye fama Vodafone cash special bundles yeriaba a simple cra 5 Ghana cedi amount 200 minutes obo modem netimi area free network bi also person free a star 110 hash star 110 hash obo modi ato etimi de fi wale no so eto ma pe na jezo zori ebo modi amasa minute no na odi djuma na boa ma ko yepa etimiera mantie no ana ne nkofo edi djuma 5 Ghana cedi pe na so de dama niema ekoye pe de ma Vodafone further together na hihye no akoye kama kama pe etimiera ma ne matches ne to aso na weekend no nkofo nyeska ni na nse www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh di yanse wenya eredu fie no emako mako du nwotwe o akonya so beto afo no wache wadwen owuram ɛwɔ mo site wa ultimate download your app no osambo mo de ekokoro mo Google Play Store obo mo de etimi download your app no ɛwɔ no mebo ama na makuera ma de abakra sonko no ɛyɛ the golden booking code no omo site obebu atwa 100% se no ko app ni ma o click so abonzi ampa ye the golden booking code number ababa be rom na hwema na chese wafa code na mfa bi nka ho enyi bi mfimu twa from 1 Ghana to 50 Ghana ye di wa unya usika ne back say di so a unya sika bebre uram of bowa woni vendor bi ona uzene omabomode de poster na bo say ye top up na fa ho hwemu na so no nyes ka kese ne mboama ne manko ye pa entimi emfa mantie no entoto ya bet to etimi raba terms and conditions ya de omo apply no omo dwumadi a omo edini mu na afi so no wo wesere nema esi ekwa omo dwumadi no wonte nya de ese ekọ na akwa komsi komsa ne ade bia na beboa na hyehyɛ no akoyi kama pa etimi rama na jeze bet your way na bibia ende da ye kama pa etimi efa man tem so no ye nromu ewo amanone ye ni komo akra wa amanone ne mpoa na ne amande da ye kama pa entimi emfa ema de a ye nromu di German Bundles Liga no ne hwesere nema esi etie na no pa ye hye nkomodidi awdo na ase ana eboa ema ne makoyi pre etimi rama no a meka ede chose wo Bay Arena wo mbra Leverkusen ebo modern etimi host team a from Dortmund no ene abranti a friend Victor Oko Boniface na naba eba be Roma no pa no metimi eyi video ni bi etimi ere chose ne na ba no support o de kokoma abranti no eya de ana no edin papa na no after so mo enya draw no odidi nkomo akra etimi ere fa draw na ewura mu edimo mo no after no send didi nkomo akra de fa afkona ebeto dwa no say no de nsem ni jai.
I know him as a great football player, also what he's been doing as a coach is really an amazing person.
And AFCON is coming up. You know, it's a tough decision for you to go to AFCON while Leverkusen keep on playing in the league.
Tough decision? Yeah, we don't know. You know, the list is not out, so we don't know. So we see. We wait in that every time.
Tell me your earliest AFCON memories.
Earliest AFCON? I don't have anyone. Sorry.
Yeah, I mean, when did you watch? At least 10 years ago when I watched. You were probably at home watching. What was your dream of watching that AFCON? One day,
Of course, it's every football player from Nigeria. It's always that dream to represent their country and winning like a trophy for the country. And I remember when I think if Ayumba scored the goal, it was really huge during that time for Nigeria. You know, we celebrated as crazy. So we look.
Atiano yen command when he HM ne Victor Oko Boniface upon the area to ga. Edi afa the AFCON no one ni na mo o jiri sampa ne ma de ye papa. On share ni experience bia wona mo watena fie ahwebi da ne Nigeria man ko ekoko ejuma this around no reso beba ababe Roma Ivory Coast na wababe ejuma na boa ma bibia akoye kama pretimi era momodin komo no etimi erama ni na mo boa e man tutu ne koye pa etimi erama na efi ono yenko enkokura mo abi Leipzig boboko no o maso o mo ewa brantie bia opo ejuma etimi erama Slovenia man di no ye friend Benjamin Sesko na ne no ye se ban mo nchim na Manchester United team a ye from Arsenal ne Chelsea na no o mo erama mo reso mo sa ye betimi aka Benjamin Sesko sombra e ma me jam no ne o mo entimi embo ejuma ze wadi 20 years na ejuma ye etimi edema Leipzig boboko no o mo jiri se ne ma de din pass o mo sa e ka brantie ne sombra e ma me join o mo be boa man totu no akoyi kama pa so etimi era mo a e no ye nkomo aba nyaba be rama anopo ye de etudwa na boa ma bibia ada ye soro etimi edi amenu fi ona roni HMO IFFHS o maso ya o mo dia baba be tudwa chese ne o mo ere ni mu se world best top scorer no ye bebo modern na 2023 ye etimi ehunu aboa ma ne makoyi pa etimi era me no mo jeze si ano oro ni chema race no e se nete Holland ejamwe de Manchester City and after no way man no was 50 goals and after Hurricane bridge made my Bayern Munich jamo e signed the man England man no was 49 after your Kylian Mbappe su jamu bejuma etimi era ma Paris Saint-Germain e signed ye juma de ma France man no was 49 na Cristiano Ronaldo oye ne juma Saudi Arabia patemo etimi era ma Al Nassr Portugal ni ono soro as 48 goals e boana to no akoye kama pa etimi e de amo muntie no no e nkoma ba nyaba betudwa ye di ewura no aboa ma bibia ada ye kama soro etimi era mana no pe na metete soko ekokoro mo taking patema tima ye form Adana Demirspor omo coach no Patrick Kluivert uze Kluivert obi a obo ejuma etimi era ma Barcelona ba be ejuma kakra e ma Newcastle United mre bi etwem no ye se Adana Demirspor ne omo ni pempa na transfer ne contract no enche beba nyaba be official so omo abomodi omo terminate ni nyina so omo jiri se owo ejuma baba be mo ne ne mo di ewura mo no ene sere tutu no esi etie no omo ze money ade a e wo form ye papa mboa nema hihye no enko yi entimi afa mamuntie no ye de aba beto dwa me di romo etimi era mana no pa me confirm de Marseille Philippe Luis obekia no twetwam no ena luta ba neba be story no etimi era Marseille wa confirm safi no Brazil league ne ko edepema enya de so beto akoso na international na say football ankasa no yo jamu etimi abo edwumezanzo gidi se be ma baba be bi na so no wentimi ama me ni na nra ye bomode an farewell no etimi ram na after no or the message we na ama Flamingo omo fans ne omo a omo support ni nyina
lo que vivimos en estos años. Soy muy agradecido, os quiero mucho, mucho. Este escudo maravilloso aquí, lindo, ¿vale? Nos vemos pronto. Un beso, chao. Hola nación, todo.
Atiano ye command wa pomode edi atuja chese da massive support nepa e babe rame timiere man ni age na football na nkasa no ogiri so bo ebo ni ya e bo amane mada ye pre timiere mezanzo hwe ni days so film o Madrid academy ba e babe ramo Deportivo La Corona e Coco Jamu bu ejuma e timiere ma club from Atletico Madrid se ramo e wo Chelsea back to Atletico Madrid ne wa ba ababe ramo ye ejuma de ma Flamingo na ogiri se support no e ya de massive support papa odobi bia sintie no ye nkoma opomode etimiere tuja ye Ramos Spain kakra na ye ni nkoma the Spanish Premier La Liga paying perfect ave tebas oberkia luta baba story ne de Marseille akonya odiso no ne La Liga president no abomode aba nyaba baba dampan ni na so bomode de to ni na se no kwakwa koboabo no na ni no wase aba me ato no so aba ese ne na omobomode etimi ato aba no officially se bibia ansesa have tebas enenko na wi no wase aba be La Liga president e 4 years e de anim no e no baba be ejuma no ko ono post no e dia ba nyaba be brama ano e die papa na batlo no maso no weekend ya do ani Atletico Paranense bobuko no omaso omobomode a omonso e bede farewell no etimiere ma branti e friend Victor Rocky ni na se Rocky medikiaka so beba baba join Barcelona at the end of the same man ese ba no e jersey number 19 na ne e da ho netimiere mana ni na mo no rese bibia be koye pa etimiere ma club no na no me the breakdown ne bae etimiere ma so on the 27th no obeba be Ramo Barca na 28 no orwani chemo Ciutat one Gampa Esportiva ya bomode yi no netimiere cheni teammate oni omo baba be ejuma enti Ricardo video na ready amo TV no mo be enjoy kakra time ye yi na film no obomode etimiere brede farewell no etimi nya de man supporters na no jiri sampa ejuma baba be de ma Atletico Paranense boboko no ya de ana no edin ye papa after no wakasa osina kan ni beje so betra nanso Europa ba aba beto de ama no na nya bebia se Barcelona na wo so kokobo ejuma etimiere mo a ojiri se ye ni gisema ni nyina mo ne boa na hihye na koye pa etimiere ma no tie ne Victor Rocky and also mu yi na film over the weekend no and achese na nyobo ni samsa game against Santos no eno ye de ko ekoko Romani na no ye bomode na ye de atuga na boa na bibia adaye pa etimiere ma na Barcelona maso ye wabiem no omo chi Atletico Madrid weekend di etimiere bomo e ka no ba ko a Atletico Madrid entimi ante João Felix na bomode etimiere nya goal no after the game no pemper friend Chabi Anande said di nkoma akra ono mo re no munya ye no obomode de tuja nse ni ajepa say too much so my body out to asure na kwedi ama Barcelona.
I think it's important week because we did really well in Champions League. We already qualified, and today against one direct rival for La Liga, we did an amazing game. Very complete 90 minutes. We create many chances. I think we deserve much more goals, but just I missed the effectivity. But the rest, I think, was an excellent game today.
I think
it's important week because
Sompa Sports.
The area Rama na just adeno na no edi papa ni na ene se enya kipenya owe dwuma baba be de ma basa na no edi obomode ye crucial saves bia eboama ne ma da de ma after the game no wo Barcelona mo dress room on team ni na etime so ye ya no mo bom musam etime de ma goalkeeper de zanzo gidi se dwuma ye no na no edi pa Atiano ya command Chese Jipini Etimi Romo Basa omo dress room and Bomane Makoye Paramount goalkeeper your friend Inyaki Penya na uzapa ene omo bomo de etimi etwa no pusezan ze ejuma ye no over the weekend no na no edie papa na no pe Basa fans no antente zanze metetete se Mark Andre ter Stegen yesi nei prana we prana back injury no and Robert request surgery almost ne and on bomo de etimi decide na latest update crab about Chese Omba until say bi ebeko akoko ram 2024 ntie no a latest update aroni echemo Barcelona masuaba ababeto dwe boama ne madaye pa etimi era mo se Pedri ne comeback no ababa be yejuma pe etimi era ma Barca ni na so mujiri soko etimi e de ba ye no wa boama kakrakra ne ma de daye pa etimi e de man o check statistics na yes Pedri ko ba ye no we jana na so abo 8 matches Pedri abo no wa bomodem netimi arene 5 and on wetimi draw 2 and walusu 1 to mujiri se bana wa ba no obana wa baba be boa ama ne ma koye etimi era ma Barca if Barca so ye ne ekoko Roma muni anu Real Madrid soro o maso e dia goalkeeper your friend Andre Lunye per report ne Chese Madrid game on bebo against Real Betis no yes Kepa Ariza Balaga Herbesia ba nyaba be da post mo etimi e da ma Real Madrid ti Lunye with the form ni nyina be ko etimi akwa kwotena bench ti no e dia ba nyaba be to ya na Madrid na ne no o ma decide say team ne njo ma home ne ma de da di ochena and on be return to ba de be ba so no ma bana training no o ma etimi aba be to aso na Ricardo no pay ya Mami Denny Carvajal ono so ba ke o game o ne Granada ne di ebuani no okoko kunyepra the first department na ne yi ni fima Lucas Vasquez eba ba be shena na no pay ya no o join ya na players di MZ cast no mo didam ne de enya de keto akround di Denny Carvajal no na uzampa ano pay wa touch down vade be ba se so oba na wet me nya ba be test ne hu epra no na dodo a ono so be ko etimi akwa fietie no di ababa be romu enso ono me bo mode na yetimi area to jo Ramo Juve o masio mo enum so mo game against Napoli no aniji semba ni na se Timothy Weah o mo gidi se game no endu ona ahode no abaso be na waba be jama bojuma etimi area mo na boama ne ma koyepa etimi area mo na nra after say Inter Coco Ramo e wo Diego Maradona Stadium ekoko nyare no oro ni chema ha kancha no gro abomodem ne didi nkoma akra ne nkoma de ababa betudwa no eche so mani age o sarin we ho pa na we no ebe boama na teams a ene Inter ba be hia no etimi abomu kakra se last season no edu bebi na niam mu ede na this season no ogiri se playing against the big teams no ke o ma fa so ye djuma na be boana kakra niam de da ye pa etimi era momo esim lan so no maso e no yeso o mo se o mu ogiri se Ishmael Benassa ene ya wa fully fit no so ba na oba be djuna o man fi wa ebe boama problems o mo no wan fi oni nyina eto etimi atwa na niam ade da ye pa etimi era matina team ne so o matetete so o goalkeeper friend Mark Menya o mo si ne no o mate se Bayern for no pen so bra nema me join o manu ya o muguso ne cancel be ya no contract no obetimi extend na boama bibia enso akoyi kama pa so no etimi edi amom ntie no enkomo kakra ba nyaba betodwa ye di eruam so etimi era ma na Manchester City epomode host team ye from Newcastle United na resere nema esia kwa game no e bra na wi be patro fanche be Tottenham Hotspur boboko na game no etimi and free no and after the game no incident awodo na ekoko so no on va no pay perfect Jose Pep Guardiola Sala edidi di nkoma aka na ne nkoma di tu John fa no any decisions bia ene no giri sen ko se kwede mana anko nyamfa ma no obomode echechi mu kakra na se no di nkoma ne che.
Surprised me for the fact that like you said, no, in the moment when Erling go down for the action from Davis, in the moment they whistle, it's fine. But in that moment, stand up, continue, and the referee make that gesture, play on, and after make the pass, and after stop the game. So that is, I don't want to criticize them. So in the touchline, sometimes I lose my mind. My gesture is not proper, but here normally I'm for many years, so. As a manager, I'm not the guy like when I'm fresh to comment. That's surprised me for the gesture, but I would say no, we didn't draw for that.
Atiano ye command epin pana pomodin edi atudwa chese unya so beba na wa baba be didi san komona netimi afa na apo ama bibia akoye kama pan so etimi edi amoma na apo ama hihye no akoye so edi amoma hu sesem no ye di eruam so etimi rama na after no coach ono so jam ere ma Tottenham Hotspur pa ye friend Ange Postecoglou enso edidi nkoma akra ne nsem no se no dijai.
Talk us through the game from your point of view. Yeah, obviously, very pleased with the result in terms of a reward for the players' efforts. The first half, we were lucky to be in the game. We kind of lacked a little bit of belief and conviction, and they're a fantastic team, and they could have blown us away a bit like us last week with Villa. We missed some chances, and you keep the opposition in the game, and we were still in the game at half time, so it gave me a chance just to sort of give the boys some real belief in terms of just being themselves and backing themselves a bit more. I thought second half was outstanding in terms of just not letting the game get away from us, hanging in there, making it uncomfortable for City. At no stage could they just sort of control the game. We were pressing them, we were keeping the ball, and like I said, because of that, I'm really pleased the players get a reward for it.
Etiaru ya commando wani HMA pimpa ye friend and Postikoglu epomo de tu dwani na boa man ya madeda ye kama pa etimi edi emo mamun komono ye di eramu so no etimi edi amana ne metetete se Holland na anhwa asutwi bi be kwa etimi ramanizanza one referee friend Simon Hooper wo rese do siko ekokoshia referee na no ne no edidi din komono omusi omu se e kan ye kan se ye misconduct e wo so mo hwe na ye pomo de etimi ramu ntintie no ene nkomo ebobo ndetimi eba no echese anhwa asutwi bi be ko akwa kuramo etimi era mano ntie no ye nkomo ababa betudwe no so no ye pomo din na no pe no ye di edrum na boama hihye na koye pa etimi edi ama kama pa na bibia enso etimi akwe na Ricardo Mamine no akran tripie ni video no oni Alejandro Garnacho na emeza na no Newcastle United game no e was St James's Park no na basobode no e ko etimi edema na akran tripie na uzampa ere wagebo no Garnacho ba ape na odebo ne run na ntema otumu se na no edi papa tu join e Facebook na hwa eno amobo modem ne bo na baso sa na eboama hihye no e koye kama pa soro etimi edema na munkomo no ye di eramu soro etimi edema no amame Alexander Zinchenko na no Arsenal chuvan 200 sebo mekabi no emo mutimu bako na ye say after the game no Zinchenko na ne bu afuni na so so gidi se one goal no mo concede ye na ye no ane fonso ene ma na Arsenal boboko no etimi e concede tu join na area who say after the game team no ebo mo dia jomani no na wa e basa kakra no ko goalkeeper ye friend David Raya ono ko e kokache Raya se Raya emfanche no gidi se niam na etimi erum no e no fonso na mbo a amane man ko yekra entimi amfa mama no achi no e na team no e kache ne so nka na nkomantu yem na re no mo pe no omo se etimi akeboa amane ma da ye pa etimi edi emo mo nkomo no ye di erum so etimi edi ama pempa ye friend Mauricio Pochettino and na Chelsea against Brighton Nova Albion game no e ba na wie no didi nkomo akra nkomo didi mu no e na nko for ka gaze mo boya mo ba be boye pa de awrade jeme pa 3 points na monse etimi aka no na se no bo mo de nkomo ni jai.
A journey, that game. Can you put into words your assessment?
I think the most important is the 3 point, but of course so happy with the performance and so happy with because after the Newcastle game I think we need to show a different face, and yes, so proud and so happy on the end because of the performance in the way that we approach the game and the way that we play, and then of course how we fight on the second half with one less, to win the game, to arrive on the end with the possibility to win again a very good team like is Brighton.
Etiano ya command pimpa no pomodin edi tu dwache zo gidi se mode mono eye na unya 3 point ya na ho no ehia ye papa boama ne mada ye pa etimi ede mana nani etimi age papa eno ye nsema pimpa no apomodin etimi edi atudwa boama ne mada di soro etimi ede mana na no after the game no joining and had here Chelsea omo goalkeeper your friend Sanchez any Brighton Nova Albion omo fans no na enya de keto akra ni na ze fans ni to be man no so to be the amana omo ze du be no wo se pata no kra etimi edi no a free pitch no so ni na ze ade ne kɔ no ye pa bezan so gidi ze ere team no ho na no si akere mo ze mpo no nema bana ba ku mieru bi ande da de etimi afa mama ya na temdidie no ano edi ye papa to join na hwa Uzampa ne Sanchez and the Brighton Nova Albion omo fans no na jeze we to man yonko na we so no etimi ato man yonko na rese na City ase na fili no na esietie. Alright, ya promoting na yetimi atwa so na boana hihye na koyipa etimi era man nkoma ene etimi ewura mo no na boana bibia adaye kama so no etimi era mount esa prepare ni tietia ni na mo ye di ewura na bibia so no etimi adeda din kama so etimi era Manchester United o maso ye yes Jean-Claire Todibo o mo gidi se January no akonya ne ba e wo so mo ko nye kokoko fa no ba e baba be jamu ebu ejuma kama pa e di ma club for Manchester United no e di ababa be to no ko yesi Kobe Mainu ne contract no Krokramo United no eba na wie until 2027 option bi shem says modoboro eso eni omutimi trigger edurum 2028 na so no omose enchempe force ne modemoro obono Krokramo si omere no omene no atrasena na ketwia no ya pejam kakra na aboa bibia enso akoyie kama pa so no etimi edi amano tie ne edi aba betudwa eboa ma ne ma dadie pa enso etimi nyede emom nkomo ye di ewram nso etimi ramansam no dos beremre no ya de esoyie papa edi arene ende ho ye ba pa badwafo na ekrado na nkoma wodo na ato aso di amana mo Sompa sika promotion star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash o akonya zo beba na nwaba betwa no wadi bako 5 Ghana cedi muntwa no duro mu otwa de gum se ya pa na jeze eba nyaba be draw na likely so no obabo modern wadi nti star 256 star free hash obo se Sompa kumase na watwa gum sa na aboa ma koyi pa era ma ye den yakwere ba pe aboyafo na ekrado na de akebia ye da to aso ye de amamo
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo ma gine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enyansem ketewa wo mu ji international awards ahodo wo mu ji local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebini baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de pa ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mu ye sciatica expert
Wahese wako shop akodi dwa hodo basket ma emu provisions ene nyoma hodo ehia opa we delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yaka kire wo se unzimi nchante e chance na ma na so ya keke na mom o de Vodafone cash dia uni how cry yaka ko bebia say dia utimi de Vodafone cash etua merchant bia or network bia so straight direct sharp enti say water provisions fuel inuro iniane me say bia opese wo ye bia no Vodafone cash amana ye mremremra ma ye hia obeya de say obe dial star 110 hash netua ka merchant bia ho e won network bia so
Vodafone. Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris B's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris B's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris B's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris B's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris B's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris B's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Na Royal Foam mattress no how the brain na me komu medam panosweni na atom na me chika seso na me honam nyina ya me ya na de kume kra ne se ya no mo so beda aso ape na wagya me na me nya Royal Foam mattress no pa kwasi da aso ape na o ya me ho ade congratulations dear me fa no kwa asedan kwama Royal Foam quality mattress papa fi oji aware Royal Foam what man relaxation aye de awon to so a winya wo mu ne se Royal Foam mattress eye papa echeye eye quilted mattress inti woda so a ama wona ye foam se woto mattress free Royal Foam a se chewu free pillows Royal Foam aje abasobode e wo 12 Ghana Business and Financial Excellence Awards no mu. Yet on quality duvets, curtains, beds, ni carpentry foams ahodoɔ nyinaa bi. Hwehwɛ yɛn wɔ Royal Foam Showrooms any sales depots a ɛwɔ Ghana fana nyinaa. Frɛ 020-227-1000. Royal Foam, rest assured.
Welcome to St. Andrews SHS. I am grade A private SHS. Yeah, SHS courses near Biwaha. General art, science, business, no waka kaho. Ever St. Andrews SHS, oh yeah, dinner ever pass. O send one teachers now. Wash a window, discipline, no first one was yati. St. Andrews, Riviera Waha, supermarket, sick bay, barber shop, swimming pool, FM station, constant water supply and electricity. Admission room condo, Hurricane Abate, Pico Farm say, Warrington from SHS 1, 2, and 3. St. Andrews SHS, what branches Big Piero Wagana, Sapade Paso Asia, St. Andrews, Saboko Schoola, Go School Wooden, Ama Paso Wasi one time. St. Andrews SHS.
From our clean water tanks, water which is rich with natural minerals sourced from over 100 meters underground is taken through purification, where our highly skilled personnel, equipped with the modern state-of-the-art laboratory, run all standard tests to ensure that purity is 100%. Because at Obibini Blackman Company Limited, quality is our hallmark. Bottling continues immediately in a clean and hygienic environment approved by the Ghana Food and Drugs Authority, because water is life, but unclean water is definitely no life. After years of research into water purification systems, the result is water that can compete with any other on the international market. Stay healthy and hydrated with the new Z Natural Mineral Water.
We are back, bringing you the latest lineup from Betway. Betway starts strong with free play for right bet. I'm not food now. In the middle, you've got all the control with cash out and build a bet. Plus, with Win Boost, you can boost your sports bets. At the back, they have smart picks and the partial daily jackpot. You always get way more with Betway. As you can see.
Alright, Yambo Dena, Yetimian to us, be a phone crowd in Yambra, and Mamidin Koma crack, quick one on birthday special, Bobo Son Tentemana, Yanko, Yenimere, one more Mudio Maudaneno, happy birthday in Quenfama, Sandra, Boadi, Sandra, happy birthday in Ramo, and Timia Farmasu Ujuki, Kejobi, Zenayo Danamisha Papa Nomboa, na the Onsu Pibia, Emramu Kama Pa, and Timi Emfa, Emma, Yanre the other ones, and even call Emfama Christiana, Nimakon. Happy birthday in Queen Farmer Christiana. Odo wani chemo ewo aguna hona niwo bi Sompa TV ese enko kama pen farmer na fi bi Queen Farmer grateful nyame yekese ajiwa kwatin akra rezu anyi na be penyimpa na nyame hia papa ezinne odo wani chemo nsuta bonkusu ona wo from Porsche ewa aguna hose Queen Farmer na nyame emwa na so no de opibia Emramu kama paintimi enfama na bi nkwa enfama Iceman enzo yen sentroni ejuma ye bi no ye Odoma FM ti Odoma include Iceman bro happy birthday nkwa ntimi enfama na nyame hia papa emza ice cream do baby no no na tuja ne fi wa timi edebre ye ne ade a na ebi so nkwa enfama Patience Cheme ono so ye waguna kachi obi ese nkwa ntimi enfama p na niamande da ye pe ntimi enfama kama pa na Roxen so no Orwani Chema or Teachiman Holy Family Hospital, Hona Roxen Ewo, Ti Roxen, Hernandez Chicharito, Storm FM, Sian Quen Fama Rock, na Yordano, Nyami Inshia Pa, na the Opibia, Emramu Kama Pen Fama, na Nipa Bako, or now for Bibis. Yagaju. Then Kwana Oje, now for Bibis. A man, I am Madame for. Sir, baby guess no more. I'm a pen man for. Oh, was a money be sipe and Madame for. Sir, it Mrs. Sir. Tell you one. Oh, I know. Oh, me them one. Sir, and now for my doors. Ade bien kwa.
Oh, I normal.
He begins all your weekend.
Oh, weekend it was great.
Now for my doors one.
And now for now, cause I mean,
why is MD?
Na mao memo. So basically, mean kind and now for memo 4 or 5.
A mano.
Debbie overall, both genders mean Shadani now for
no. Every time no crew my ever pass now.
Saturday, I'm a new. Oh, but return Jenny, then
successful.
You know, be added that they cover. When we hear Google map here, and one say passion now, as I'm saying about Bakoye in Kita, about community. So it was a nice short journey.
Now, all they may find now,
and come on, no this Saturday.
Okay,
and then I'm about at Tuaso. And Tuaso 1 year, their course during the weekend. Once I make catch, say there is no way Barca will lose to Atletico. And I'm a crowd, me predicted say Barca will win against them. Also, this is but now the conversation bordered on 2 players. Griezmann against the former side Barcelona, and João Felix against the parent club, and no Atletico Madrid. But it looks like the story, you know, a call at the favor João Felix. And you want to mention Commander CDF. Why? Abu, Felix has won the battle. But what need the Enyanwe Mwasem because who ni machinasem. Yenkai etie for near for say João Felix Nendro share winning goal de Barcelona no. Or does say Atletico Madrid player. On your more contract until 2029. And Tim Konyani bibi o yibiano. The better he performs for Barcelona, the better the stranglehold of Atletico Madrid in negotiating a transfer.
Or you know, bonus.
Exactly. A strengthened Atletico Madrid on position. They can demand more. The entire boy in any more contract. There is still plenty years duration in Mua, and hence the contract in Babewu. And then 2, it gives them the bargaining chip, so they determine what happens. And he said. Ekoba se Barca ni omo ka ne transfer no honsensem say yepesi a ton permanent. Barca will not bully Atletico Madrid this time around. Ne transfer no Atletico Madrid will rather dictate the pace of negotiations and only determine how the price tag never call. We'll get to that, but on the field actually. So on my crowd it was a game João Felix set out say he move a point and truly born or born a camera, and then he got a goal to also pay off for it. Go no share no, it was perfect as well. In Tokyo, it was a clear egg in the face situation for Diego Simeone and Atletico Madrid players because player or more in in quote and the best winning goal no sudeti or more Barca and so timidi or musun konim. But the fact is that João Felix make us we winning battle na aka war no and say he is not that consistent enough. Talent no will be. But at age 24. I was a Drew stager. João Felix should be dictating the game across Europe. Intende, Kiabo Mbappe din, Yabo Hollandia. He should also be part of such discussions because consistently he is getting you goals. Way in the second league goal of the season. Matches our body ama Barcelona no in the league in Kwano ekako double figures. Meaning his goal output ne shada nya de so ani. In fact, so we measure na SG ni say ball body ama Barcelona ye hwe ni obetimi a goals do say ne SG at 3.5 goals are washed in actuality at 2, so he's underperforming his XG by minus 1.5.
Yes,
a player of his pedigree, very expensive, comes with all the news and the fanfare. Now oh my go Talia and if Ferran Torres more than an Boswa. It means that Sebastian has no more discussion say you have see a tour permanent on as regards the price because it is what you have to offer, not the name that you bring. And Barca have seen better offensive players or better attackers than João Felix. It's not a case we're winning battle, no, but he's here to win the war. In winning the war, he needs to be consistent on providing more goals, more goal contributions. Say or assist an answer or share. I think it will be crucial for him. He should be popping up and then delivering deciders like this. Nego no share no, a winning 3 points. He has quality to do that, but I think he needs the attitude to match up. Send your beya the quality no what talent no no, and then the attitude never compensate. Then he will be able to deliver consistently to help his cause. Inti, one of the issues and I'm a person I can't want them. Kudos to Barca.
After the game, you decided Pablo Simeone is the intensity now not the bubble no one is saying. I was if it allows your law or Casa, I play with see a cover team for from.
Exactly. Cholo is playing his politics, but he's right. Obekani team was a mon casual Felix was him. But oh no, I don't think he has a future at Atletico. This is Simeone Frio. Omutuno. Se Baku bet me Juma, this is Baku Frio. So Simeone, for him to continue, why stand in the contract? Yes. He will not need Joao Felix. And it's proven right because one, players or more ball in place of him, they are delivering. Morata is scoring. Griezmann is scoring. Memphis Depay and Dracro free injury by you can see him delivering. And they have been consistent for him in the league. Have the two players, Morata and Griezmann, have they outperformed Joao Felix? Yes. Griezmann Bobo Onishe goes Neseno. Morata Bobo Onishe goes. So the coach is proving right. Go away or share, and it doesn't prove Simeone is wrong. A approach. Coach Nisi Oguni say. And is it yielding results? Yes. Dear Simeone Peso a deliver results in the mano. Joao Felix no so Peso say, but he dear all Peso no, the numbers in back no. For all his talent, what has he done? See, Eduardo Barca ball offensive. By now, he should have had like 5 goals in the league already.
Yes.
So, he has a point to prove. Andra will prove it back. He has won the battle. Let him win the war. Then we'll start another conversation. Away from that, to England. Chelsea's indisciplined run at Waso, and it nearly cost them 3 maximum points. Indiscipline here, day. Getting unnecessary and unneeded yellow cards, cautions near there. Conor Gallagher in your red card in the game of mobile against Brighton. It was a game Chelsea nearly had it in their hands, but also nearly allowed it to slip. Chelsea started getting 2 quick goals from set piece situations. I think a tactical Pochettino used to his advantage. So Omube floaty balls in the beam. Then due to Omo aerial advantage no more, and all the 4 centre backs no boy in the defensive positions no. Obia aerially good. Disasi, Thiago Silva, Badiashile, and then Levi Colwill. So I'm not surprised and say Levi Colwill shall go. But the surprising aspect no, Argentina's a Ruba so on also when you go Enzo Fernandez from a set piece situation. It shows that Pochettino Yenyoma Bakumi Nubi team Nehua. He is coaching and is yielding results. But the bet me throw a spanner into the wheels of Chelsea Adi Omoyeni Nano, the indiscipline record.
Oh, okay.
Chelsea nya 47 yellow cards. Obi enye bi nso in the Premier League.
47
yellow cards so far. Then 3 red cards. The second most Liverpool anya 4. And to look at Chelsea's disciplinary record, they are the worst team in terms of discipline. Interestingly, Abu 47 yellow cards no manyano. Emu 17 ye for descent. Ye ka descent na che say yaji bibi etia na wo ye ni amon ho de. Ida say wo kasa ana action etia referee no. And then a many refugee came in with home come last week. Chelsea's players headed by Nicholas Jackson. Omweni nswa de ba akokora pair their attitude and their display on the field. So refugee BBT or how they react are crucial.
Now Anna Nicholas Jackson
oh, but through the sense on the Chelsea player when you look at spa and you tackle low. So you ni among the kasa 20 exactly. On when you more than any Chelsea player. He's gotten 3.
Oh, okay.
And the yellow cards no when he sat out a Premier League game because when you're 5.
Wow.
He's a striker. So clearly Chelsea have issues to deal with. And if they don't stamp out this indiscipline, Abu defense say oh boy 11-11. Now we are 2-0 ahead and now we are 2-1 ahead. Now we bought 10 against 11. Now we are 2-1 ahead. Now opponent no work akwenya so ba game nim. So indiscipline might disrupt everything positive about Pochettino the team here, and it needs to be looked at. So my no man can it could be something a bit derail team name from their path to glory. Team ne ya there consistently they will try and pick up. Omunya results at what was so but you expect them to perform better in terms of how they conduct themselves on the field of play. And idea about making him some improve. To the last one, Man City Spurs game. No, you see the English referees mysteriously always find a way to be at the center of talk. Omo person omo di omo be topic for discussion. Minim say deliberate there. Decision no how betimi am ahwe. This is Simon Hooper, center referee for the game. A crucial stage in the game because City have a counter-attacking situation. It could potentially lead to a goal. One, Haaland gets the ball, he's fouled. But through the determination, Haaland, say he will still play a pass to Jack Grealish because a offensive action the moment. Now when Haaland is fouled, check referee no, he stops. Yes or born and whistle. Then Otonin has a montuaso.
Yes, Otonin sir.
And who was a first no? So Obane Chica Krebia first no. He wanted to blow his whistle. I know Jai. I know Otonin say play on. Then in playing on, ya Bob already Jack Grealish. Oh dear, Fanese Grealish is offside. That is why there is a VAR. So you allow play to continue, and then if it's offside, the VAR will determine whether a go bar now go and bar. Then they will use the VAR to determine that. But in this case, Grealish is not even offside. So in the space of 3 seconds, referee Simon Hooper, with total confusion, see play on. Then he brings the ball back. And clearly, we know inexplicable. But for it has said deliberately, the referee wanted to ruin and they become the center of attention, or pressure got to him. So in taking a decision, he rushed it and was a mistake. But I don't think there's a reason why City did not win. They are waiting to City. City are struggling. And check all the games they've played. On my last 4 games, for Chelsea, Befa Liverpool, Fawe, Nefa Leipzig, they are conceding goals. And the manner and the quiet to conceding goals, it has changed from the City template. Now, last season, when Pep adjusted the team, and your master, it is the same adjustment in terms of almost structure. But in terms of roles and personnel, you may be 1, Gundogan, 2, John Stones. Now, in this game, Omo boy in such a role, Obo Akanji ni Rodri. So Rodri replaced, Akanji replaced John Stones. John Stones, something much more of a revelation last season. Obo position Bonier. What he offered was 1, defensive solidity, 2, awareness, and then 3, dynamism. So Otimi shuffle between playing as a central defender and then as a midfielder with calm and poise. What Gundogan also offered was control.
Yes.
And it's a Gundogan frame. Now what the Alvarez bar, Alvarez is more direct. And to baby a Gundogan bejibo on the Jinaso Atrin Trains to Kakrano. Alvarez and AJP Obebo, and it was telling in the second goal, Spurs at the Shomo. It was Alvarez. He played a quick pass to Erling Haaland when Haaland was not in a very good position. If the video is the Obetimie show, into a ball 1-time pass, then an interception came from Spurs. That interception is straight from that interception to Giovanni Del Soso, then Los go. This is it. And in the pass, Haaland was not in position. And what Spurs did was an intercepting header straight to Giovanni Lo Celso. Now check it, the midfielder. Alvarez ball anyway, now he's making a run. So they lose numbers in the middle. Then Lo Celso is able to pounce and punish Man City. It happened in the game against Chelsea. Leipzig is here. Even in Liverpool game, there were moments this year. What has City lost? They've lost personnel and the rules. It has affected how they control games throughout. Now, Omutimi control moments in the game, but they also lose control in moments in the game. And that period normally lose to control. Opponents are easy. So they punish Manchester City. Wow. The second one, Erling Haaland, the finishing.
On
the top scorer of Premier League name. If you look at just the numbers, you think Ayoki. And that's how the top scorer, so what's the problem? But Haaland is missing chances, and there has been a considerable drop in the numbers. There's the evidence. This season, Haaland average per goal in terms of minutes, 86 minutes per goal. The conversion rate here 25% in terms of conversion. We're missing 15 big chances, and your problem. Every top striker misses big chances. The SG 14.4. Watch 14 goals. So he's underperforming his SG by 0.14. Not really a problem. But this is where it comes in. Last season, Haaland overperformed the SG by 8-point-something goals.
Yes.
So it was astronomical numbers no register here. So what he did was extraordinary. You expect him to continue to be able to match up to that standard. Now there has been a drop because he's human. So in the conversion rate, it has dropped 4%. Last season, 29%.
Wow.
This is really telling. And in games like this, the chance that Haaland missed, it is contextually, a decision between the 3 points and not getting the 3 points. Chance not saying no. It was easier to score than miss. And Haaland last season would easily convert that chance. Yes. Okay. Good. And namu miemi ato di ama me so me fentwa to na Bishop in Brim. So the point is this, Abu, Haaland's goal conversion ratio no, I drop it by 4%. He's only human. But I don't know about affected Man City team because the other teammates are supposed to step up. And that is where it comes in. Jack Grealish.
Yes.
Having a poor season. Julian Alvarez, not really a consistent goal scorer, so you don't trust him to deliver that much. Then you look at the other players, Fofodi, Chego, Endra, but it's not really a consistent goal scorer. OGD when you so bait me deliver.
Yeah.
Then it comes to Bernardo Silva. Silva ain't a prolific scorer. So Ama Haaland ne issues no suffer no. Although say is getting the goals, the complementary or those to complement the effort, they are not stepping up, and it's really affecting the City team. So these two issues, and a Pep suffer. You expect him to bounce back. Last season, he found a way with John Stones. It was revolutionary. Pep is a genius. He always finds a way to make things work.
Mate, medase pa Americans are bodu now ten cancel any no. Or dear Baba Ramen Bishop Atapuku Anamon Sompa Sika promotion star 256 star 3 hash. Okwa. Na wako Sompa kuma so aboku nevia. Muntwan fangumen cheme bana maba me first draw no. Na ya hwesere name city star 256 star 3 hash. Bishop Atapuku weekends in here there. Tɔ no so akɔ no meti ni nyina baby ana wo bia minya report no so wo ntimi fa ho nzie o baby akɔ bia report no bai ze hu baby ana ne nam ne ade a so kofa time ho baby kra ra we ya ba time for domasi o domasi nyame show mo pa
Alexander Abibio
yeah
parliamentary candidate.
Yes. Oh, okay.
Take this market.
Yeah. Paya ebono. Paya ebono.
I've seen the Hudo. And the Hudo kind pa. I mean, Namasa Mani, the do say qua Njao. I mean, it's great. It's great. It's so I mean, sure, I'll copy more Bia Wester. Bernard Lee, and so winning in the primaries or Lee. Congratulations. When she congratulations, Kojo. Sanso Nandra, you could pay more soon for Honorable Adusi Poku, Frank Honoso, and a Kama maybe be a team conkai. Them say it was a good clean sweep. Yes. A Fabiana, a Yara. I mean, sure, out of phoning in her. No, you see. Maybe I will be a child. Yes, sure, say, you drive a query, every Sufina can want to a good. The year crown. Yeah, I could hear Sufina to a good yes, Intino. And then do ya Briar Bon. See, Jaruna, Sufina. You be US in China, hearing Sufina too. Tinema will be a Fabian Brew and Sukaku. Hey, you can. I want to say my anchor. Near worry, Cotodano, also a very cry in Yenesa.
Yes.
And I
yes, I have been on sanity.
Michael, Nipano Grawani. Now we. As a what did you almost so? You are coaching Yadia, you be some questions.
Yes.
Players Yadia, you be some questions. One black sheep or no quad will be anti me, son of a
refuse.
No money number. Where video Nanyas of him.
But I didn't have Bruce.
Miss Anyas within a split of 30 seconds. Nipana or say, play on, or no, I say, my boy whistle. Miss Adway is fixed. Okay, say it will even out. What then say, no. Simon Hooper back up, okay? Wama Tottenham 4 points this season. He's denied. No, I mean, oh dear, name him. Saturday ni nyina siwie no. They are Benny. They are charge Ellen Holland.
Yes.
Because it is all use F word no. BRTB. F is on by charging any catch will be fuck you. As be ship am ban no crab fast develop actually.
They.
So you understand here no.
Say
respect referees campaign and it was so someone go for buy.
Most Man City for.
Miss Rome, am standard. Through. They are the standard.
Or do be player can
Miss no.
Obeze ye family.
Me Pacho Van Dijk ya banning one match and finding 100,000.
Yes.
Man born in the same.
Also yes on the referee.
Okay, you so for it never until after then you train. So money in them. And that be. Okay. Once I charge it, you be charge it. Make you be charge it how long me boy?
Yes.
But obi e bisa Simon who question be.
Dabi.
Abro so ade na be si. Wednesday matches no.
Statement apology no akodi Wednesday match.
Okosisi obi fufuro.
Na we mo no mo di adwuma na mo. Ochichire so awi la
massa. Na no Wolves any obi boy omo je penalty biti a Wolves for no.
Omo ne Arsenal.
Da bi na Arsenal.
Da ba omo match omo ansa no
omo Arsenal. I mean,
okay.
Me hwe am say
penalty mo re.
I mean, but you see, I mean, come on. It's not proper. You see Holland screaming into the face of the referee. Omo ye nipa o.
Yes.
Ye twa no anti anto. But me gina na so abo pass no. That's the difference between drop points and winning points. Holland had the determination. Ye twa no. O si me gina ho no abo pass. O gina ho nyina referee say play on. Pass the to me e koba.
Me ma ho she.
We asem we mpacho e he ne kan. Why do you say this? Asem we he ne kan mura. E ko kasisi a say men kasa. Na it will even out. Mo pigeon am the can make am kan say you go reach every tinsi na kwakwa. Sebi bibi e ye wo. Obi atwetu abo obi. Ne ye kan wasem as you enye hwe. Enche bia e bebo obi fufuro so tu. We are asem we am ne ye kin. Huh? Born near Bodru say. Me, I'm optimistic says I born Jagile show to be in Goshen. Obi so you'll be an anano any day. Ope born bo.
I did go with PPS.
Oh, Munim. I feel no obey anybody nine and then to know. And yet dokuma muko direct, man mono muko direct no. Jagile mean jinin this ah.
Adi na bo with the namuda.
Me say me but me stance no. Jagile and Holland. And then Bernardo Silva Masebi born on mutrim. What should have been a very good game. Bono dinia until that incident no. Yes. One incident which was so avoidable and didn't come once no. Or any problem fonso. But this very one in question too avoidable. Or no I say play on. Or bet you mu die ntia or stop bon. E bia na BBC. Make us bia na watin kase ne yem ye ne ya. To am always on na Maria MP and Kwabonte and go use.
Players in the Russia, I believe they are poor.
So,
and we had time to say, now, Chaba will add it. But is all poor.
Look. Asem, look, you've got to change the narrative around this. You've got to change the narrative. You see, but anyway, it is what it is. And then, Kasano, maybe I'm asking genetic trupano, the orientation of young Ghanaian footballers. Remember to Kwabrucha.
Oh, okay.
A bit to me, Anka January, February, will be December, January, February, will be of our trials, Crankamenko.
January, February, are they?
The conditions are not good for us.
Oh, okay.
So, and some people are in country. So, cut Sibia, July, August, September, oh baby, I don't know wow. Because what no adapting them. 2 cases. And I dream my phone, so now FC Rostov. Omni CSK Moscow. Na ombe bogo kick. Nipa obogo kick near Igor Akinfiev. Akinfiev. Yeah, Igor Akinfiev. Obe bogo kick.
Moto ama jeze.
You get it. Normal in place no kwabonti omo fam ansa no ma discard we omo stadium no me sure say obi a she jacket
yes
wa shenta de na temu be 4 and all the way a good so. But Mujina Park and so bobon. Almost share pants. No much a baby kakra was here. No mudi jinasa freezing temperature or the bobo. Until the income for needing chair and said, look, and your man is no. Until saying, oh, the all contema eboa because a head there born the walkable. But these are some of the things you'd face.
I would their crabby fear cause I'm one way and you're machine.
Because until crown, never send a person born.
You're machine.
Until ya, young kind send no money be a sino. And yakwa. I mean, it's very difficult.
Where's woman job?
Debut, you see, Russia now some we who free moon them a break. Russia say Finland fun. Sometimes you'd have to go on break around this time. On my calendar, and the 3 years I'm saying, yes, send a regular one. A lot happens, man. A lot. Football no more born, and you might be brain a cum. So, Tiena would check a crack. Then I said, by Munich, any Union Berlin over the weekend, it was called off. Daintia.
I don't know where they are.
But also, oh, tell Bompire send me fear. Me call. No, but finally, you're never from Temno. We know that, we accept that. But North Africa phone is become difficult now.
Is there more attention?
Yeah. I mean, the reason is that a Sikano. Now, Mediamacra said the Omoya mobile pan. Oh. Abroswa Yambo semi-finals na me dem be born in no mo two team no
o ma be 4 players
ya
Grams and commodity ashase
debut but it's so obvious Shamo mo don bobo no ho no
yes
me dem aba Ghana o ma ko Egypt o ma ba on ba ya o mo ni Beluzat for na bebo yes I'm see me try my Jeff aba no a chemi Akutoso abaye mana kwa ba no ba be kana sen.
Oh, ba kana sen.
Beluzat for no dan crying on Tuesday. Amu ka jemi na so be ba Kumasi Tuesday. Akutomo da hotel. Big Kampiski. Lancaster.
Beji akunye.
Amu da Lancaster. Lancaster no one crying up. Till Tuesday in the mic. Beluzat for no had made arrangements in Kumasi say on beda hotel or Kumasi Lancaster. Omajija dining na for nipa bibi no mo de omba no omudun kan omo se omojo ma homi Wednesday ano papa no ma ba no mo se to a hotel eda ho booking no ma ya wa hani yentwam
eyi juma so wa
ombe duru ye na Lancaster for no mo kuma se ne ka chwo mo se dina mo ji ye na mo amedem no mo betu omo se no problem se mo person mo tua ne sisi
Amanya no cry.
Asem nem so nyanti ase.
Matias you, the all can no Matias.
A financial issue. The golf. Omo be through krum han. You see, muji Lancaster na o kuma se ne some da obnada. Mamba. But mako dan cry de no. Nti sa hotel na mo e de dan gu ho a mambe dim no. Ye meji mu school omo se ye bintu an sisi ama. And sakra na de o ma sha ase da wuku ada no. O ma kan wansen. But also so kwa adechi ade san ticket ne bo no ye di ni nyina no na contingent no eso ti asha say the nipa 50 ne be ko e be ba 45 e be ba 40 e be ba 35 we managing the 30
that adechi ade san so
because eno na ticket ne 7,000 Ghana mo da so ya no pa no obi anya obi aboni o e ko 8,000 was a sound seeker now they are $1 ticket. On also didn't seek a free or Gia Hoba Krumano. You're born a boss or your gin is $100 a night or 120 or Lancaster. On no banana, send again say 250.
Well, our bros will cry.
When I'm fast.
Yes.
And it is in common deal. Any football, any investment, bro. You need more than passion to invest in football.
agrone for
nti de enka kosi nyina ne se if you nekro mamu mbo bi achi biem se munya 70,000 offer bi na almost on kwa tra baby
amom nko bo bi achi
hey
ale no no chemu kakra sese
obobo obokapa
no kre
sika no omokofa sika ni free no mo de aba football no na ye adwuma mo se sika no
dabi
good meaning ni sika bi eda ba bia nko betimi de aye bibi fufro
and on kofa de be ship
nenti so bi aba no obeto player no se na be obedi sika de be kwakoto a na so to dabi o twa kwen
and I play in bobo and I then I'm out
me dasi
and I'm on am Africa na wie e ka wo be she go survive
Africa ben
bishop said e court to down wabo
Africa ben
e court to down wabo the last time we didn't come obi che me if you corner me me treze play bi enya ofo Brunei na okwa na beti bi la be kala ko e ko seri kai abai obeji word best ala
look mama
obeji dey
first no na me the qualitative debaters na baako na ohwe ball no se na esi ye na look tra baby because omu two bars no ko one match ba team run aboka waboka nti and then sad we are na se omu bedru kroma no ye ne omu kasa kra omu ntie o eno na esre no na Jeff mu no mu do mu hwe nie se onua so yo di Julius echi no mu hwe coat no mu yo modwuma look I don't know ne wa ha no Professor Chumesi on tron come about stadium ni wa ye no ne mo bo obi no mo fa mbo dance
aye Accra Sports Stadium
and they a week bi o mbo dance
sa so e jewe mbo dance
no oh massa
is it you bad the boy
massa man fa itinerary na ma
ya o de ma
wasem
enya mbaso oze Olympics over boy Olympics over kruma
Olympics be boy
Ghana head Hasama
Olympics has kotoko
we are boy
mediama
ele be matches wa
aze
e matches wo kruma
no nyanya no ba pitch ne be bre
ala be ka matches wo kruma pitch ne be bre pa Olizo ba
exactly
eish asebi e di o
to football Christmas
na ba we are there wa so ala kala for Zaka so be ba ho
e bi o ko so ga ho
Amate.
But the minimum conk say I agree there.
Olympics over Kumas.
And house of folk. On my dreams kotoko. And media mao.
Mate. About some umbrella to other. About the go I check me lo be di komana. Update how them say media mama Ghana yet de. Ano more no na e win bi ana de pa. E boa bi mo ne ade but I heard the best out to Friday. Chairman no very na ye didn't command kakra. Na mo so Pasika promotion mu betwagum *256* free hash *256* na babo modi ewrem na aboa na ne ma deda ye pere amantino obo modi na utwa nko a obedi na de wom ne se uroma na ba ko ye 5 Ghana city na watwa aguma na bibibia adeda ye kama pa etimi edi amanti *256* free hash *256* free hash na aboa na ne ma deda di no wafa Sompa kuma ba ko ye 5 Ghana city twa aguma na utwa nko a obedi na aboa ne ma deda ra ma bozo na bibia aboko de
yeah baby not talking about look me guy is smiling
me ma akwa ba ze wanye me so kra da mredi obi pa that time me na mredi obi
okay
Pacho weekend in a
Yamiadum. I mean, media winning at the weekend is very important. That's the most important thing.
The Saturday no so movement also never come up. Saturday movement.
Oh, a bigger movement. So only money.
Yes. I see what you hear now from.
So baby, also baby here.
Yes, and one.
Baby, go pen.
Baby, I'll call you.
Next time, no, we can put a
Bibia on sabe count de fa me kum kakre na
them now about Cerebel's dad is owned by Almada, a property owning big company of Qatar.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Nti omono sebe sika nyehwe mo. They are one of the most professional. The reason why will you have a 10 certif, a former champion? or USM Orges, they were finalists. They are winning Confederation Cup. You have JS Kabili, 2-time champions, and they are winning the league.
Yes.
Investment about heavy. What they are saying?
More there.
So I'm how baby open some that be open. There was issues in Abia 203 Cup champion Enyimba and Ismaili. Ismaili flew from Egypt straight to Abia State.
Wow.
They landed there. Oman kofa baby afena where port or Casabas. Esisu omu ye no mriko. Anokai has the AS Abesa.
Yes.
Abesa Angola play no sisu. Omu ye na.
Omu ye ana pa.
So look, it's capital intensive. That's why people are buying players millions of dollars on African continents. As Mercato said, the least paid player was Sanders $9,000.
Yes.
Abdul Munem Butea. But the highest paid Bongani is $37,500. On average, every player there earns $19,500. So,
wow.
Yeah, I mean, so that's the level. What do you say?
But that go for their crimes, yeah, they're passing to me on mobile.
Bell is that no, you remember, but you see, I said Midiama has done more than expected. This team lost quarterfinals last year to what?
Yes.
On penalty shooter. And consistently being a group stage of the champion. So Obano on Midiama, this is the maiden edition. And this is the performance they put up against that dominated them the second half. That you have to give it to them that they've done a huge job. Because some of the way I said flyweight and a boxing of this quality, we are flyweight and I'm middleweight.
Yes.
In terms of experience at that level. Until money in the like attack is the number one thing. Pick quality coach, quality players, retain them. If you want to be in Africa for a long, you have to do that. So there's it. Yes. And one echo. You can't do it. Everything about it is investment. Invest in players, retain them. Mediama, for instance, what they will suffer because they are doing well. Umbe suffer player exodus.
Yes.
Squad depletion. Alin suffer squad. In fact, the last 3 years, the only player Ali Atom pass on Matan, so Mapamo. Hamdi Fati. That's the only player. And it's only for 5 million after using him for 3 years. So sanity, Uniska, forget it. Omuton Omaton Emama Shaw, 3.5 million. Omuton 5 million, Emama Shaw, 3.5 million.
Wow.
Yeah, they made some money. But media bet me had Jai players say, oh, yeah, ma, you play a Bianco. The offer more pay mom. Can they say that? A son ton kakra, no place can offer kakra. So, yeah, situation is very difficult. Yeah, they need and this is Omo Morse Road and at the South African club. So there's it. Eddie. Now, no, Eddie. But it's a reality. And fortunately, if you have someone like Mosu daring and ready to invest in that damning consequences, that's the only way we're running football club. You're part of the world. You are playing a league that is sponsorless.
Yes.
TV rights crowd is almost zero. What do I say? Yeah, corporate companies are more Ghana no. On one casa fire. Yeah, companies are more Ghana and you can say baby I finance say F no can clubs no any football no man competition.
Yes.
Every year they should be having 2 sessions with the Ghana Club 100. Effie. Amuti ono bobo ono ni amuti so yes me akron for my class I go to call inspecting pitch where way and no crow. But no mati. Only time so baby because be a fan when you or you who now open sika who no a sokoto yeah company no more Ghana and say be about issues of sponsorship to footballer. One, yeah, Central for be painting football and say Akron for sports. And almost last to my experience with Tigo marketing, marketing and so many other company leaders. I'm kind of football they corrupt people. And no, why not this narrative now? Almost no copy free almost over any club now. A challenge. This one excuse one year is a media man. Oko Africa now seems to don't say you. Obebi anywhere see only no call Marriott Hotel. Alas because a night 56 million a night.
A night is then
56 million because on the home.
56 million a night.
Who hotel now? Sanity. The companies that want to sponsor because media they also need that platform, that huge African platform.
Yes.
And then I made them Obani Hotel an example. So they say, yes. Sanity.
56 million there.
I know at least to Cassandra 120 million.
No corner one counts in media.
So sad, but anyway. We're surprised that TP Mazembe.
We can hear the results nearby and I'm checking the M1 Kaka. We also TP share Masandawana there.
Lumbumbashi, first of all, a unfortunate war and the fact that Ompesomuchi team owner and in Tina Banasa. Until say only room to say first, no, I know busy land and over. Until Nirina share team Lusu and team there. Say be my idea about football there. Most of them. So near my kumbi or bebo
oh, okay.
And Lumbashi the uncle Bawa, we are referee about sit down. How much be able to sit down? We are referee down for Power Ghana, or example, I mean, it's not nice.
Or referee down for Ghana. Or example of say,
oh, Lumbashi by now. Oh, yeah,
actually,
oh, deep. Ultimately, be more Ghana by yeah.
But I'm on Hunipacro.
Oh, and then send your master, mammy come and but Neoman said Lumbashi and Cassayan and say, no way. Monsieur Konakosha 2013, CX Fasien.
Yes.
And I recruit any team as in referee. Oh, yeah, no pay ye beer. No pay ye beer. But you that's how it is. But Nancy fortress like it used to be, like me check the reason why. But this game, I must give it to Lamin in the eye. And once again, I mean, somebody who has won the Champions League in the past, that was some experience. And this is a teamer on him. And near my issue of game when so a game my own. Lack Swamba. Here. Tembas one hit crossbar. I saw she. Tembas one hit crossbar. Lucas Ribeiro hit crossbar. Now, Omunya 4 more chance. They are 6 shots on target. It was them versus Aliou Badara Fati, goalkeeper. Aliou Badara Fati, not a third choice goalkeeper for Senegal at the AFCON 2021.
Yes.
So on the level of goalkeeper. Now, Emre Bayano, he was able to save them. But I must say, Maglory Tambo, the 2 center back, Maglory Tambe especially led the line so well. He played so intelligently. One match because not only understudied Kevin Modenko. So the coach decided to take a risk and he used him and did very, very well. And for the goal, once again, the experience of Claudio Ligonza. Players back on the honor, he's the only experienced player in the Onizamangas was the only experienced player. And then Philip Kizume, the young player, the pass to him, beautiful goal. Goalkeeper, goalkeeper, and Ronald Williams, one who near fire. And I go to share. I no power. And I Rolando Mokwena press and go beside us. Now your team and intention and yard. Now I share more power.
Especially if you consider the number of chances that we created. Et surtout quand vous ratez plusieurs opportunités et plusieurs chances de scorer. I mean, we had.
Your person channel say, press no central for no fire boom TV magazine. Say, of course, some African Football League champions. Yes. Omashe Alisha work. But enu nchire say baby on be could be on be and a team magazine say say nya say me come 5-time champions.
Yeah.
So they are here. And Sembi and Abenti. So omo fire boom na ojitum say chance be or what. Look, Tapelo Moreno chance. Keeper Esley. Tap into it. But I say lack. Sometimes football game, lack and I knew Mosai and boy keeper or so this things happen and he accepted the fact that it's one of those things. But clearly, group way, Niama versus is going to be very tricky group. But Sanas will qualify in the U3.
Sanas will qualify. But the results in the Banana series, they will be a born woman.
It's also because of investment. Because look, Ceciano, Ushe Tipikoto Boasinga Lumulume, he's the central midfielder from Vita. They bought him $3 million. He's a top class defensive midfielder, very solid guy. So an investment, and yes, Ali, Sanda work, only to work. If you look at our sector, remember how it's investment. There are more quality into the team. So because of that gap, no and share that and wabi. Ebia media no do there by Ben. What do I say? And then coaching.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so they say, because look, Usha FC no Adibo game against Pyramids.
And also me name one pa.
Determination.
No Adibo there no.
Nia Juan Galazikoye ewo. Juan Galazikoye ewo Morocco no bia. Determination and grit. Because 48 minutes. Now Delmini Salek, who center back, he's the key center back. There means I know Mama Ngani, but he is the key. Man, red card.
Wow.
And all the Mohamed El Abid, the boy. Now Abid no crowd football. I said, Imano Kuju, I said, by Chile. Or no mobile, no crowd, no born catch and the red card. So at that time, they were man down. But they defended, they played with their hearts. Don't forget, say CAF, second vice. Say, yeah, the team.
Oh, okay.
Yes, that's his team. FC Nadi. Maybe he owns it. But they played so well. Guy not share first go Sidi Omar. The pass that came from Sidi Abid to him was top class. The finishing. Now Ahmed Shenawi, there were two Gabaski third. Mohamed El Shenawi we Ahmed Shenawi. Goalkeeper. Beautiful placement. Osama Gala, he was late in reacting, but not than it. And the time Abdullah Ubed Bashir, third goal, second goal, sorry. Beautiful. Dying embers of the game. A pass from Sidi Omar to Sidi Ade. And then Osman Faye. Beautiful teamwork. And this is a team that have a midfield of Blate Toure, Mohamed Lashan, and then Ramadan Sobi. But what they did was almost consider possession almost, and they were using a counter attack. Fantastic.
And I'm not before the
yes.
About to work ever.
Don't write them off. Very difficult. This is the worst they've had in more than a decade. Because from 2017 they've been very consistent. But this is the worst they've had. But they have a good team there. The problem, Adi Ramsey is a terrible coach. Makan is a terrible coach. If they don't change him, all the players are there. The players that went to the final there. Omar Adi and Zakaria Drawi. No SCR is that player. And I'm got all. Zakaria Drawi on board right back. And in not much situation, crucial, who will lose your fee? On here, crucial point, that's not where you do trial luck. And yeah, and you could see in the game, he was struggling. Or Bray. And then he fought. Then you play Jamal Hakas, Amin Fahini. Now, for the Asensula, the whole of the season, because of Prant, I think not recover, then you are risking him a game you needed something out of the game. Asensula, Jamal Hakas. Are you sick? You have Mohamed Unajem, experienced part of the 2017 team that won the champion of WAC. Very creative and intelligent right winger. What do you know to Ben? And you are starting Hakambu Zifiani, who consistently is not delivering. So, coach, team, this game, Yaya Jambrani was poor. But hey, Sankara, okay, Karamoku. Debia Mikano Makara is a referred to the fact that he was at a friend is saying Chan.
Yeah.
Yes. Only Pacomezus now. Pacomezus, watch what is happening. Younger game ni Ali, who scored a goal. Pacomezus.
Yes.
Game way was also determined by Sankara Karamoku, pass from Martin back the right back. But at the end of the day, the Ivorian boys are doing very well. The Chan boys in Omar Chano, who are playing in different clubs, younger, and away boys, they are doing very well. So what? All they need is a win. The next game at home. If they are able to win, don't write Sanko for you. But also game na call so elbow to an bomb.
Yes.
Draw on within Simba a bomb. So there's a Siciano, Joanangala is 4 points. So that's good for them. Even though they don't have any point, but that's good for them because just a win bring them to 3 points. And then they can win away matches as well. Confidence, no confirm to see and a coach Sunya, but it's not bad for them. Now, Yangani Ali. Young Africans, we feasting Mayele Freeholm, who had a terrible game against Nwadibu. And yet this game, so far, Okoye and Famano. Every younger copy is Famano. And feasting Mayele and Famano. And he's playing against, and unfortunately for him, Oshe Omon Tipi Mazembe na a little factory, South African in the Shego. So Ebasana, he's under a lot of pressure to deliver and impress because he came on Omotono, $4.5 million. Good money from Yanga. So he needs to impress. But the younger team against Ali, they did very well. Yes, the 3-man defense did very well. The 3 center back did so well against Hussein El Shahata, Mahmoud Karaba, and Pesitao. They come close Bakari Nordin, Dixon Job, Ibrahim Hamid. They closed them down. They were very tight. And then there are two good wing back. Now, Joyce Lomalisa, one of Vita, enters a TV, played for Vita. When Vita drew 3-2 for 10, enters a TV Cabno. So, a lot of experience. Obama Muchan team, the first Chan team they won under Florent Benke. So, he has a sort of experience. Ebia Yao Kwasi, obviously, by not only, but they played determined game. And then Khalid Ocho again, Marawana Tia. It was interesting. Khalid Ocho, extra experience. Uganda national team was playing for several years. And then Paco Mezoze, the Ivorian boy. They played. Look, they are not pushovers. Football now, sometimes game behind the Mudanami. They play very well. I thought that for Stefan Azizki. 2 short, 1 hit the bar, 1 miss narrowly. So they played a determined game, even though Pesita goal was beautiful. But the equalizer was superb. And Knowledge Musonda, the main striker, had injury. So he came from the bench and then sent a beautiful pass to Pakome. And then Pakome did well. But my main counsel said, Chigara Diarra, the national team goalkeeper for Mali, or Dama Yangano, he made 2 brilliant saves from Mahmoud Kahraba and Pesitao. Now, that saves, no, keep your mood. Yanga would have lost the game. Because Ali has 7 shots on target. So there's here. Yanga had only 2. So goalkeeper, no, however,
yeah.
He's a very good goalkeeper. Oh, okay. Yeah, he's a very good goalkeeper. The only problem, Yanga, and they create chance by finishing.
I'm also Mati, my young name, young man, and I in your refuge. All the Patrick Aguta Banam in Ninkomakra on Media Money. We always Friday see a Kuku Jinama, Coco Soportoa, na Ebois, Nanya Timia Kuyi Kama. Ti Merena Madame on Macquarie Bape, na Fia to us, but some Pasika promotion, me ba me babe drum to Muncham Fangum star 256 star 3 hash, a bar for some Pakumase. Na watch the Gumza, we 5 Ghana CD. We don't try to be in teacher and do your barney about a drone, your PJ Moa. Now, final one or so at us. Amantia, then we have a pet, the Aki the Abbot was ready, Mamma. All right, I'm over dinner. Yet we are to us with you for my dear Chebaba, Baba, me draw no T star 256 star 3 hash, star 256. Hash and one and the year pa. Etimi and farmer, so you know, you can't say we know now a historical moment to be seen that say yenya teams be mama baby Rama African. Last time at Ghana, yen teams in Ibrahim money zone check. This time around Nema did the Amami Diama Diaba or more elbow Jumana kama predo adi being Parancaso and Chemeco on Ameno, Edding Comono, the Rira Mukakra, my first game on more born her, said a near my sea core year supporters a baby Ramu Friday, so no, almost second giving it to us. So now Vodafone Semenka, Fanchos a Vodafone car special bundles, no, Fanwishim and Wahmaneman Kuyipa, and from our 5 Ghana CD amount 200 minutes or the fraud networks, Nashano, at the year paid amount to the Yano, a star 110 hash. Star 110 hash Robo Modiato Eddie if you wallet no so nanema at the ye pay to me Eddie Amana call my Vodafone app Honso a simple mama said Bibia ebe the year ama Vodafone further together nine shena kuida ama Royal Foam Ghana almost naming Ken Fanchos at a Royal Foam mattress on Jodia na kokojene simple pa ni na nze mun common ne se obo modie mattress na eche yi oda so amekon ye me amachi ye me aye me ani nyina etu etwa omode ne da nsun konkra skaka krebi na utwa na ode ajo to so e ma sunye pa beda so na ode afa adwempa na wetim de ababra papa omunjuma panti ye bo modin etimi ye bo maba so a bibrema na wiase afa na nyina ye bo modin na the 16th Ashanti Business Excellence Award the organize the 20th anniversary mo 247 to the 2nd yetimi Emomu Good Award nyanonko 12 Ghana Business and Financial Services Excellence Award and also a Simon Award eti baby obia for na mane omon kasa na okọ omo premises wa factory premises wa omo de new ultra modern showroom aba niam bia wo pe bia obo modena on set mi akabina nema adade ama wa sokore mamponu fiwa na okosi edi na kokojene mboa na hihye no ended ye kama pa emfamanti number ni 0202271000 0202271000 Real Foam Rest Assure na hihye no ended ye paint me from 21st can zebra na bra be romo maso no mo ye expert in sciatica neze titu ye ma me mo aya amukodwa no munze mo transiche pa edu bebia onzo to asinti no twetwon sa romo sisi echi obebi romo sie echi obebi ama nante na edin edi ama wan hwe ya debi no ba na wa ba ebubu na bia ba ko a it is Yatika ni TD na no ho popo 21st kene common ebe na we jam na so na ne makoye pa e dia mama ne nyansa ashase e bon kaya tu anamona remo maso no mo ebon modin eye djuma papa ya wa hodo na hwesa frutizo ba besu na ase no ye beboa no anya hodo ko mo lab no wo ho a ye hwehwe ma bibi a ye ne hye ne aso ano area mana scan services so no ekoso maso massage ne de zem kokko GB kra ma fine twa me nsanyina ni na zo mo hwe me no na ade na komide dim papa go machine treatment no ko ano ya de a mo edeye pa ntiko more than 15 branches Ghana baby omo bojuma Kumasi Ahwen overseas junction omo be na afraid oboase cancer cortes core junction be omo akra do me market tu nyomo na sunyane nkranza any teachima baby a omo yejuma 0249 311 0249 311 0540 311 0540 311 niambwa na niamande da ye kama pa entimi emfa emauna o akwenya zene nyina be kan bo ni abo na adwuma de na ekrabe Sompa achede enche esmas iba ye roma obronya abosumi mu de meze obekata wani ate ne eroma na de tie ni ye maame mo a ye papa mo fi mu ejomo ena afa enua no mo maame ne on papa fi mu ejomo no esmas ni do a ya na dodo na aka ka omunchi ye mpene se no na Sompa TV Sompa FM ya fa atu on so se o se ye bo na san kofo na nije no ewie penti ye be na adwuma die no aye krabe age so kan bi bo echidom edi ne kakra bi enso a de ode baba be boa no ba yenso ye beso magie adawase nyame so be hye wa na mu pa edi enema na ebi edi na ebi ti se mo anwa baye tin tomato sardine milo ana biscuit niama bi nso ti se ntema school bags books pen ena be shi shoe awodo na toothpaste toothbrushes awodo no ene seminar de bebeje me kasa esusu wo echichi wo pepa so beye amadwuma di ne wie pe ketu ebi enso a kakra bi ade bebeje na yada wase ntu de fa number yi na fa bitu so na omo bo omodin de omo hye mu afi etwa mu no edi adanse e pass nyame show manamu number no 0598 559 802 0598 559 802 send the dia beba no Terra Media ana Blessed Foster Terra Media ana Blessed Foster na rom na boa manema ko yipa edi amanti ma menya me first draw no na me sha send di nkoma na ehu nipa na obo modern na the first 500 Ghana cedi ne sa kan di mon fa screen na me na me monitor pa na mze ne fia me mpimfo awdo na won komodidi it uso no betimi star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash na wabo modern di Sompa sika promotion ye je adwa emu de papa digabo mo so na me hwe the first win ano na yanku anim ni ade a na yehu nipa wabo modern di lucky number no 0543 854 the final free no ya na edisi yo e ba say a ebikra na wo de obika ohun na ma na pe akoye di me kwaji misika ti 0543 854 0543 854 eno ene the lucky winner abomodin adedi kan no watimi adi eboa mane ma deda yie pa etimi edema entu zuro betimi aba betwa me ba be soyi so a me bomodin na matimi ayentutu yi na bibibia adeda yi kama pra etimi eda ma na masan ye draw no nti star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash Sompa sika promotion che me kona me ne kudin koma na mo ma Patrick Agoto akwa na me ne no ento azobe ngezi akwa ba
abudiabi
na ya boko de say ya share ampa de minu share wono
ampa bibia unse menye enigence sonko because unse mabefie na na ehunu mu no say I hire one place be me mother quite strangely very strangely say me share the relationship I me work with Jeffrey Asare, Makasare Buadu, Bishop, Akomia, wo the team. Na me na me galam say ni ya. What that for the me na nyane o. Na me a small boy. Me na me a small boy kra. Apostle. I was Choice FM small boy. Yes, I'm family say you on red one I mean Lamti Ibrahim Sani. You know, I'm a small boy cram with me I see but I'm a stubborn I'm a stubborn, you know. Manager pass my bahana. It's been great. You better Sompa any team na say supporter more than my amuguso de my because we say media my ba Kumasi we are like family. Yes. You share the way muscle you more boy and games on the rule. Say you might be maybe but
more ball for Makumamu. It's in Ura Moses Amasamin country on the place or the Masepa. Na Neniso Niamuina. Ye Bompire say it will end in praise.
Yes.
And ending in praise means say you bet me I could do some stage. I be do crowd here, Ubia Frame was that's a target more achieve. There's the achieve the first target of qualifying to the group stage. Who's a medium a young team.
Yeah.
From your talk has been a very young team by every stretch of imagination or discussion. Teams here no boy sebi. We are the least fancied club. Even young Ghana just last year they were in the finals of the CAF Confederations Cup. Players maybe 20,000, 30,000. In terms of financial capacity, experience, pedigree, history. Shalali, the biggest club in Africa, the most successful club in Africa, the record holders, the Real Madrid of Africa, where Chabab Belouizdad Fui, Algerian giant, they are always at least in the quarterfinals. It's Yendru omo level no cra. But so how do we even do this? Not even that Mediama, but the Ghanaian clubs. I think say we just have talent and some grace being so because Maza say kasi putuno according to say sika players bibia the Maza magical say me winning matches yes because magical say me winning matches but Mediama is being funded by Ora Moses Ama. Ebia yempunu as a club no perhaps yeah be lucky because of our geographical location, so it means some support from the mining giants. Goldfields, Anglo Gold have come to our aid, and then I can say Nguvu Mining is doing fantastic job. More pushing a year pa. Where even if Ora Moses Ama always would down, I'm not going to down my grandpa and so because the kind of name and you get that results because it's about getting the right players, quality players, and pay them well. Apart from all that and everything, including African electronics, we combined in getting results. You know, Maza, so may catch the war and how much we spend.
But I don't know to Kakama me. What by need any
look, it's difficult. I mean,
Africa.
It's crazy. Oshe even etiquette to be a fluctuating etiquette and the price is see or Chinekostro. Hotels have a you call Egypt say for my mom Egypt for instance. Fantastic and you see Ura Moses Amano of quality. Yes. I didn't obey on your own. I think it's a how many can any clubs in Akasa Mediama. Yeah, one of the very few clubs that fine hotels even in the local league. Yeah, top hotels near that. And that first you're not going to the group. You know, top hotels near that. It's not because ABSB. Look, if you don't have the beyond passion, if you don't have the desire and the passion for this game. Because you see, it does not commiserate with neighbor returns. So, here an analysis. The Ben who said be a medium player. 1,800,000, 500. Hardly good. It's how do we do it? It's difficult, but it's only the desire. That is why Miss Ama say, "Oh, we are the PS4 no music in the now." Say some are stopped, some are now lost without a trace. Some have decided to move to other ventures.
Yes,
but he has kept faith and focus with this team. At least paying employment for the last 10 years of my life and more. I'm gainfully employed at Mediama. You know what you say? Players, officials, management team members, the whole football ecosystem in Takwano. So between now a Jumaye for 10 years continuous without any stressor. Then it means that the person why are they taking a lot of the burden off Aban shoulders. That is why I'm counting on Aban to come and help us in the age because we don't need Ghana for some of Aban pay my money. Oh, Aban won't pay money my to be here pushing. Then you need to cushion the Nipano. Na eja kakramwe and trickle down into us. Oh, you did say ba. You did pass ba. Oh, say because no. What the question say? Sika number. A good question. And that question be na answer na be. You need to explain before the yes, I'm so much my failure. Sika number. Me wo GDS say it means that Sika again. But me wo GDS oh, you go so.
Never be about doing it there.
Yes, now, who say 1 million? About 1 million Ghana cedis. On penny, kasa. Let me call Jubilee also be 1 penny. I was happy we Omampeni I share kama but when you say eboshe it's in you GD say Omampeni Ebeyama Openi Oma washebo it's a pledge
by GD
oh no yes a club there you GD pa me say me GD minim da be there but me GD
say beba
speaker there na me feel say a bantam can make a query na kwa na say ya ke wie before be wie kwa na I click say oh yes mo ya dem mumra na ese kwa so be electronic digital ehu hia say ko Jubilee House bibia computer so bibia
wa che ave dem ba budu se me
enya say ye be twen ya na speaker dey so you go so hwe ni na 100 ni kwa my na 10 there no but you gidie because me can say a bad bontin as a club no we just want to be a bit careful because a pledge and we prefer to be used to diplomatic channels me gidi say ama central for na your colleagues ni union for na omo ka ho asem because ebio ayo ma homoti ebio mati but yeah as a club there you some Omampeni on ye ka pledge on their mind so you say also okay be me me also
put him there I said be media man club we or representing the nation of this country beyond that the presidency will be for the presidency on your pledge you pledge and for a high office like that till that is the difference. We Omampeni Ghana or Ghana for Nina Nemo at Doma Soma
Omati Ghana
and Tiomuti Ghana Nini or Boma Basso.
Yeah,
Ghana for Ghana for the Maya Ghana was at 20 years.
They also heard
but of course, me say almost saw dream for asking Accra ministry among cash. And Pendakon for Kwe or Honan, the demo 500,000 Maji. Yen your call first. Yes, your call first. Yes, yen your call first. Yen you can call Mampeniho, courtesy outstanding member of parliament for Takwanso. I am Honorable John Mekuduka. He's been absolutely amazing with this club. He's extraordinary. I mean, for Mekuduka, if like all MPs, if you are also say clubs or whether they not get it personally. Honorable Mekuduka now. Look, beyond just say also he supports by finances, by being there, no gathered in Central 4 or support to get mobilization. Thank you. You know, Remu or Nigeria, Guinea or Yako America, Ujani Shadow, Esamba America, your best call Egypt or in fact, unfortunately, when to me a ma for this game, no more Farmers Day. Oh, but one man ne who I could remain Eba because no more Takwa was hosting the Farmers Day this year. You know, now we say on a host MP and Deputy Minister too. You know, he's a fantastic man. And you know, no one Ogusua Opushi again. No, yen come Omampeni ho first. And ye maybe yen ye can be last. Yen call first. My call no yes, we Speaker of Parliament. But Speaker said by my.
Acquire and pay for the first teams to bread at least bread omunimo. But no yam no by man but at least woody. Mutra picture Ubio one no say penny no penny bien and no cancer. Ubio before back canon say a order now vacations where we do more playing. It's look, it's I could put everything aside. It's not and yet good for the institution that they represent. The presidency and parliament. It's not good. Say Omumpo pledging no more here we are.
Then what else can we do? You know, we call first, Abu, and I need call first, but still, you're watching him. A bit more call later or Monsaka. Yeah, happy for them because in Ghana for we want to push. But the minimum say we call first, first come first. See a queen, don't care about but would you say, send them can you go to him? We are still using diplomatic channels, but it's a very radio, so we need it's in your you better Asante Masi, you better Kumasi. This is a very passionate city. Yeah, baby, it's you know we love to be back home. Now, say who support against Sia Belouizdad now. this is not our home, but a toy so. And when Abu, and yet it's about Banner supporters nearby. No, it's about how I not almost show support demonstrably.
Yes.
Like almost cheer the team on. It's like go on the SSA bar, go on SSA bar. Na uhuna, you saw my Kotoko supporters. You saw the passionate, great Asante Kotoko supporters. You know, giving all this support to the team. You saw them. I mean, they were there. They promised me they will come. I'm promising me that they will come and support me and support the team. Yes. And indeed they came. You saw the House of Folk supporters. Oh, the neutrals. They say, Mediama is a very good state. Yeah, if also has any support, I'll say me has a team. Mediama is a second team. Over Kotoko, me Kotoko team. Mediama is a second team. So we appear to be in a very good place now. Yeah, the 15th. Yeah, per se, Obia Benya problem. There because. Yes, yeah, but of course, yeah, ball league, yeah, ball competition, yeah, we play competitively, but you think that the support here from Kotoko, from Haas, from all the clubs, become Chelsea, and Kwame is always in talks with Ninia, Moses Ama, you know, it's amazing. Now, you would say the way how a game on call, you know, anyhow a game on the end, you know, yeah, but who they wrote this week, you know, like I said, it's against younger. Because the dynamics will change after the younger game. So the member one year to meet Dim Kunim. So if we're able to win this particular match, it changes the dynamics. Because if we are go back to Dar es Salaam, a team, a place already, Simba for no, I started from because you see, me say me who support, but me who be there. In 2016, you call Tanzania 60,000 packed at the national stadium. But you know the exciting thing? Simba supporters were in there. Almost have 30,000. They came to support me there. Wow. Almost any day, and this is how I be social media against Omba Park in this room. Almost any day, me who be like, they come to the Omba cheer full capacity. I be against. It's without game. I tell Jay, look, we felt at home because I'm a VIP on them because you're foreigners, and I'm saying that be Omba train me everywhere. And I'm going to make supporters new Vivi. No, my nice place that it's nice. So this game, no worry. West is a draw. Now, me say, if I tell you the high level people of Simba are more friend, it makes the game exciting. Or shall say, rivalry, no, yes, be a on person because you or Bapak, I support you against you. 30,000 capacity. Not me, boy, see, but as if they were playing at home. As if someone ball, like, we felt comfortable playing. I say, wow, Simba, we are gone. But you see, say Simba say no boy, I can't force me the same. Sanity, it's almost the idea. AF rivalry. Look, Jeff, but me that was the kind of rivalry I made many. And that could catch them. Said this is what I saw. Other ones in the royalty, but the many who be there. Say, I'm waiting to me 30,000 people backing them. And you say, yeah, na back tandem na park and so on. Because you're boy, they're Kumasi State. Because you're boy, master. No boy, even my sorry. Daniel Amo, no, you know. Look, that squad and that team is what we are building here with this particular one. And I think that a matter of time. It means a good results, but you make me the supporters. Without the good people of this city, without the Kumasi supporters, the Asante Kotoko supporters, because they are the dominant force here in Kumasi. Yes. I mean, there is no ambiguity about it. They have to folk drive, push. All the teams and the support. Anything they decide, they say as a club, and they can about that. It is a price near to who a 10-20. Wow. 10 CDs, 20. 10 years, no, they're not popular stand, and then, yeah, based on, yeah, with a Michael, with the other Vivian 100, yeah, Michael, Abu 100, yeah, I'm saying, you know, 10-20, so obviously, 10 yellow, popular stand, 20 near wings, but there's a VIP pay and 100. Wow. So 10 above from now, Obiamra, Ukratena bra, forget. Say wouldn't say computer no bona you ticket in ma me ha ho kra bra park no bra ye what designated areas are ya computer no ya hu adwuma oba betua ne aye because ye ma you ticket no dey here but and so e ma you ticket e ma a standing block to support your some hebo you know ye ne benefit kasa bra for 10 who so full line or magazine or swami or tech, baby, asawasi everywhere. For Bibra,
I saw only 50 CDs are Nipa 5.
Yes, 4 p.m. if you're there. If you're there, but at least by 12 near Beer Gate, because we need them 10. Where yes,
Nipa 20. And 2 by young one.
Where to 4 ball. It's no Equano Edemupa to 4 ball to be because appreciation to the good people of the city.
Yes.
Look, Master, any by force will be Babako. Because first of all, any team. But say what you mean, Adrian, we're free in the fee, we're funny car, we're beautiful. We're beautiful, we're better fair to come. I bet you get fee. Net over I say about support too. I be mouth up a bomb, they are very special to us as a club. It's you know, your pese will be Amra, 10-20. In can the people can make free, but also we are a carbon dorsal. Overhead cost and crane began at security, one, ball, and so be just because I mean, Beduma. To remember Bedman, or money they take a digital cracker. It is a really one part, you get ticket, but ordinarily we never get free. But one him say, already in Casano, every club at this competition, you suffocate under financial press, under financial pressure, because ACSM already in there. You can't about music only attack any apostle no about master. Na yenye kusubo ye be ko sobo na me bo wia e be be new team otakwa of course e be go catch say you standing market like na mo you can just for near league market now happen
mama kroma
de me ka say you match no who say no say we dantem kakra yen pay wan say oh you say we match say you call them kakra na wo hwe de eni jewo krom oh minia no bia hu mi mama kroma de
no cry buy ade ba ko ehye me ze na e fie da say dey ye me da ka de chia e bia kana me ni movement
I know great but the time also yeah was a Friday remember you are going into the weekend
yes
Friday because the CAF Champions League no omobo no e fie da na me menda na confederation ba ko just like Europe on Tuesday and Wednesday, not Thursday night football no. Or for foreign Mongrofo. Doesn't mean follow. One time is everyone me follow. Europa Thursday for no Michael Mongrofo. Oh, maybe I'm a sympathizer and of United, but I mean Canada crime.
We know a Black Stars for no Baba. We want to use a back open book.
Yes, of course. So are available. Okay. So are there no on your three local accumulation. CAF were revising first. How could the group stage a trap cars no but CAF said that any competition nani has started. It no was several we or be available. How many do you on medical grounds? For that, they mean check because now the Black Stars because the medical team no are in constant touch with the Black Stars technical team. Because they buy a Black Star material or a Black Stars player. It I think that recommendation came from the national team. Say using him will be a problem for us. And of course, but it shows here what depth in quality. Kamara didn't on number right back and I could at bench. Could have a chance again and I Kamara should go on man assist. I mean so why is back to the team? What so adds to our team? It's not really just beyond the goal scoring or short players mind. Because you want clearly opponent for to me you punish you. Tin Obano he will go to add a lot of bite to the attacking front and no necessarily be on the best side. Once other players can score. But Soa is back in the team. Nuruddin Abdullah. I think it's time Abu who did the spotlight put on that boy.
Oh, never
he's a fantastic Nuruddin Abdullah.
On way we near area duels.
Yes, he has won all area duels. And at 19 years. Look, Niniadin, Alali. He no stage fright. None. There were players I could see saying Omunya a little bit of stage fright. Onkahu, so Onkahu, Vita Onkahu. These are players Felice, goalkeeper, Onkahu. You could see it. Said there was no stage fright. And Nuruddin is unique. Because this is a boy Obama Mediama. He was deemed not good enough. Yes, you won't call. I didn't change my friend. Send it. Was a club be over. Corner. That's the only say. I hear. Oh, na kwa ufaka akotaka at the back. Oko another by 11 p.m. Wow. Yes. And a bus driver who no. Now we there. I say, MC, we are finalist squad. I say, oh, really? Tinakano. Now by this time, I got a brother. Yes, sir. Tinakano driving straight to Edmure Rafi. On the security by bear. Also, going, that be the amateur the far from your friend. So you go back to where he was staying. The rest they say is history.
Wow, on the unknown story in head. I don't know what rise out to the
it's a fantastic player. And so you save this boy. Well, it doesn't mean say Bia or come Bia, you wouldn't have shown and I thought yes, he would, but it makes it more nicer with the Medema history and record. But Bia war. And normal with footballers. We make a team accord trust. We are very good. But a player coach, if you say you don't fit into his plans, there are some players who are technically prima donnas. Like taking them out, Ubenya problem. Player be catch them or Mobo Ghana or one of the countries in Africa. Catch them, say, coach I drop on, but coach no problem. And Papa, coach no drop on. After match, no more losing without him. And yes, I coach. Catch them. So we be a problem because of no. Because supporters for no Ghana ni imagine that too. It's only the darling boy. You know, like Steve Udro. It's like when you touch Steve Udro in Kotoko, you have touched the hearts of the supporters. We are coach now bar. And so we are careful how you deal with Steve Udro because you're there. And you see ball also with Nakuma. It's supporters for only club on Ed Donaldson. So this is the story, this is the history, but I mean, boy, I don't even say, a Friday, you say you're feeling the capacity, the 40,000. Yes, it's because younger phone who say, too much is saying, almost 1 point out of it. They are coming organ blazing because on himself, match we are, they are not out, yes, they are not really out, but it makes it more difficult. So it makes it more difficult because when you say the confidence they call Dar es Salaam. Also, your history, you bring your support with Simba and other neutrals in Tanzania. We will go and fight tooth and nail with our blood, sweat. We will really fight. It's a game where we need the supporters again, and this time they must multiply in force. Now I'm going to cheer this team to victory because without the Kumasi and the Asante Kotoko supporters, especially has for pushing supporters, will be in difficulty. You're burning me power, Abu. You're burning me power. They're 10, 20, 100. Yes, sir. 100. So why is back? The team is in good shape and they're training or Pempe Park. Endurance Snake also. They are very cautious because see, so which team be are very stronger. No one is careful going to another matter. If you see where we can be surprised. And so we want to pay attention to detail. Right to the dead. It's a good time. It's a good time. Apostle Emma Clarence Apostle McLaren Apostle Asana said Clarence until me come say dey me hijack station where to live. Mike won kasa bi o. Analysis push na support dreams so because they are also part of the agenda. Because if you are not kwesiada almost we need to one me pass the it is a second goal no. They should have kept that to but whatever it is I think that a history can be made a matter of time. Obia drains the near so akwana ball no attitude step by step Black Sheriff attitude nantie name you corner step by step.
Although I say me no better share
let me show
you wish all the best.
Absolutely.
Ne adwuma na mo ne nti ma record me sending come na Kwame Obin Isaac Obineji Michael say that bra no biate why but star 256 star free and also your coach birthday coach Maso Kradu Abozo and a coach birthday
special
coach Maso
Kradu special birthday to Capel also I manage him,
yes,
and he's also my very good friend and brother.
Yes,
happy birthday to him, bro. Why are dear? I mean, we thank God for your life. You've been a memorable brother and a friend, and a top coach as well. Very good brother. Happy birthday. Now, birthday we and did this yesterday we had a good win so but you better celebrating it better after Karela game you celebrate it better. Your step by step strategic games are here. What do you say? Tie unim. O say nkwan chena omo amani kumu. I know mutie chiri no mu ye didi. But it's done well. I mean, and Bompa said bibia beko yamano. I mean, he's gone through a lot. But I'm sure.
Are they Ziana Hoyepa?
Oh, of course. I mean, he was, and I saw bibia near say. Oh, now where the say yeah we will say among first loss no. And you'll be an idea some kind of life. You must be very careful. And you bibia near.
I also mante. Me no be share. So I'm me you remember Kwakoyama. Ti be share.
Oh,
near what did the Kabusu teach the car? But you who's got to be poor Kwakoy.
No, I back on the class every day. Back on every day.
But bibia ni bibia.
Ti u ka ko season.
Ka ko is all the any effective about the maybe they different.
Thank you.
Oh sir.
Oh they different. Oh they different. And the mama kola me ne Bishop Meba, or I'm a for you. No certificate diagnosis services. Baka, there doctor ni Mozebra, a banner would dear moon says, Semana Bema, or Tedia no Isra, Bebuana, dear Pijama Bois, Nanema Kui Peda, Malitosi so Casa, Pampine ne Banenya, Nina Dogber and way if your kidney muhao, hepatitis, typhoid, cancer, hypertension, stroke, diabetes, and I feel when you're a child, a was so how be a co. Now all machines out on the bedu Surusu and Wabwa, now was so no man to Tiana Kui Pedia Mao, or ye Juma Jorda Kukusimenda Okumasia, Atonsu Monaco Junction Open of Sita and Sura Bangbian Crime. Doctor Nansia Wada Kukusimenda, no swabody apemo, a Roman Menuncia, Selpen Wakra, second South Fotorama, or Bangor Free Station 0244. 08767 0244 08767 0279 08767 0279 08767 Yamwa Nashano Enko Yepa Entimi Emfa Emma Sedani Bisonko Emfa Express Group ya cancer no person kwama no ne Kokoye Juma Kukusia de Miami bit Canada USA UK Australia New Zealand Germany obone do be ko take it one sense visa one sense ni na brani aboa na ne ma de yepa etimi edi amane international exam institution no say IELTS no SAT no GRE no GMAT no to for ni na hwe edi udwuma kuma so pomo a South Labor about Accra Kaneshi first light to be nyom tema East Legon Takra di Sunyane Tamale bibie ni bibia omu ye dwuma 0249 000448 0249 000448 na 0555 550067 0555 550067 yamwa na hye no ende da ye pa entimi enfama ntoma daroma ena ye romni abomo de di dwumadi no sonko na ne makoyera ma betwe makanse ne wenye dumfiedu nwotwekwa ramu www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh wenya edumfiedu nwotwe qualify na the golden booking code no come site we be atwa 100% uramu ye beboa na ne ma de da ye pa etimi era ma no uramu na ntoto ye no akoye pera ma terms and conditions ade o mo apply no mo dwumadi ni Betway bet your way na ne ma de da de fama me koba finally Sompa sika promotion me banama ba be me final draw na sana mapija be mu T star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash na na 6 p.m. big game no Eromo Kumasi Babara Sports Stadium Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ene Brekum Chelsea ene di Ebweni na gate fee no sense no popular stand 20 Ghana center line 30 Ghana VIP rate 40 Ghana VIP main 70 Ghana tini nyina ye di ewura meboa man ma deda di pay timi edema ne ade a but mo fanche me ze matches we ni yantimi andi ho komo ne ade bishop na so mo de aka to vote for
ana bibia koboko
shana na mo be show
modem mon
bashiru amunya abotrema no be obey munya abotrema no obey abotre bishop ana
enanwumre so
mentiaze enanwumre ayede
ame no obehia
da say hia dada
enanwumre no so ajiska no
ye hia dada o ba o bibi kafa wala
esene techema kra no so mungu
zeyede
good in scanner be de bibia so
mentiaze
scanner ba ne de bibia ye And then you may.
That's a bit out. Scaben Abba.
Kwame Obiamba.
I'll be in this caraba. Okay. I'll be a call for Bishop Zoo discovery braba.
Says go minimum Semgaka. On the Ghana match no. A day which you come walk on that while your name on the week. Miss Canasa. Me away.
Oh, okay.
What Jesus can buy the bitch. I'm a Bogana match. Miss Canasa.
Oh, okay. Ati Obia Jaize kwa Obi a communication team member de ma Brekum Chelsea na ne omone Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ne di boy ni okrudi ma na e game anu e dem pa Obia kwa akwa bi na be bia fi boko de na Brekum so de say
Brekum boko
na Jaize mo form na ehu pa o 5 matches mu lose mu consider one goal pe na ma win say 4 na ma draw 1
draw 1 and win 4
na mo de ba Kumasi ne
yes
aden de na woman who after you are give na say muchi we na with that for that much we na with that for aden de na ma Chelsea wen hu za away from them
yes Brekum Chelsea after losing to game no and technical team de tenase my bisa what is wrong ibisa coach Christopher ni say dey na see because he had very good preseason after say ko Sama boy akwakoje century cup no and go na you free say this form no be real league no it started league no Accra Lions e be say nema o be draw if you only him so the insurance be ka honanka we movie but so transfer ba be share so go go tina ase no na coach Christopher ni man he say we na ha club no nti say ura mu fa dwantoa and na kwa me no yemfa na emangu okwan mu and na ade ba kwa kunye pa ba kwa the absence of Flavio
Flavio Kwasi
na Flavio so nye fit so your first game of Flavio boy was against Dreams FC
wow
oba back in the first game against Dreams FC so coach kache say yes onya sa guys ne back na nema mi ni bi club ni de tutu okwan ma kofi nema kwaku nema be yen after yenya sa nema no ye ko Dreams ko share ye ba back e be share Samatex ye comedy ma e ko share so gwagu e players no so determine say league no because afi target ni say be league no
Chelsea target is
oh yes you best start league no yeah some management ni catch players
the Brekum Chelsea pay league aje afi
ana ko si league ni aje bi dan ti betumi aje ya chi bi da ti betumi aje ya chi akotobet na hay baby am dey ma boy the last club ball Champions League Ghana ball ni ye pa no Brekum Chelsea so ko ge ka se be league na fogu and your quality na e league no Ghana
say quality of league Ghana
o players ni kutaye no you that quality is between the league no from goalkeeping to see attack
quality na
yes and yes and squad depth we actually yes three midfield here goalkeeping attack so go say kasi e league aja looking Chelsea wo ade bia what it takes a between the league no the management net na last season yan kasi be league but you who said this season if you quality materials league with na e materials e the league man ye the target the my players they say in the league no them for join to preseason asem catch the players no no besides a career for senior one omunim say target the am of this season no a league no the performance no mo di then the performance in the league o so the league no Ghana e so nya more away wins utina hum na sha ko guntimi the league no
is a win wins in the back
is a win in the count
but am about win I say Dreams jomo de me dem ajomo de as be nya draw e dey aka imabo
oh say aka nyumi
amba je kotoko kuma
kogu ise nyumi be je kuma se sante
Chelsea be je kotoko kuma se ne
yes atu o say 2 years be je kotoko
sa
2 years be je omo
2 years be
and last year ba mo she enu class game kogu ye bo game uni me see park no so before asad ni be si no na kotoko ashi tu ani e take it late no and incident ni see park is no dampe Brekum Chelsea guys in the spirit no o hwe Asidu Patrick engineer see park ni so na dampe guys in the spirit and am Brekum Chelsea am game ni biem confirm say e wie bibia no so and Brekum Chelsea ye Bakumas no e ni mi tie Bakumas and kotoko team we go e beatable kotoko team we kutom e beatable
then I want to go to team we beat up.
Me see you be bia chen kotoko on the field. You be bia chen kotoko. You will be bia. You di win game we chen kotoko.
Who say we are okay there? Who be
you will be on the foot. Say, you know what boy now. On the foot, you will be a jam. Yes.
Okay.
You see him from free at Chimra. You from free defense.
And then I said, or confidence, or confidence.
Yes, go ahead. Henna, see about team back.
Your boy had our body table. Because we have one papaya who say, Abazo, who's there been club a year didn't come up. Our communication team members. But instead of being Saudi there, I thought they had done that because confidence too much.
Well,
I got it for
because of Nyawayeda. Because I said the last time I was 2 years ago, one day, I won I won it at Science. I just said,
I won you.
Yes, because look, Chelsea, only are very good, but consistency is no problem. So they say, but now they find this consistency, and football, run no team. What they say?
Jose la waka. La case of BT you count you.
There are two the new. Amuti football na si any man na mo eso mutu any results. You got here, and that makes them more dangerous. So as a kotoko rise above themselves today, as a kotoko players so rise above them. If they don't, Chelsea will a chance again. And I'm saying that Chelsea back Masi Amusu because they have a very good record here.
Oh, okay.
And Tisa confidence in the Kasa. But also kinds of ways as an what they say, and the Kotoko Sudi, I dare go to a penny challenge.
Yes.
Utuli challenge. But I know you know, no Bema, I go na me that's the one. I'm a supporters, no Chelsea board with
but a game
very tough game. Very tough game.
A game now no bad.
Chelsea has last 5-10 minutes has yes. So any game omo bob baby and omo tiada. It's a 90 minutes game ebe end to end. Do obey be stay you any kakra na ade
fast.
Yeah.
Abintimo be shako.
Oh yeah, kwaku. On say she Bakumasi ah, say the apostle kano. Yeah, ye Makumasi season abra enya emfa 3 points in Kumasi nko.
Okay.
That is the record. Yeah, and sheko to ko e be shaking Pfizer. Making Pfizer, yes.
Nti pe the okay there. What me akotoko analysis na bebe.
Oh, you start here from
analysis for social media to all boy.
Only me o when so say the Lucas na say kotoko for so.
Yes.
The basa na omu sebi omu ni me niam na moto that's even the challenge. Na so mo.
E go say kotoko team na say pija bia e woni pick abrekun Chelsea na say na mama mo. E woni pick bia Chelsea na say na mama mo.
Mo be sharp.
Ye hyeso na niam sikumase.
Yes, someone.
Yeah, some police for the Kotoko players ne paid out. They see me nka obi aya. Yes, tell my guy na na ni say.
Ba ne dem on fire.
No go you determine because
some be wa be share dem on share na monko. But say actually na we yes dem.
Eno de eno supporters na sem. Supporters ni say brekum Chelsea team we. E bitumi a share Kotoko. And Kotoko e beatable. So nya understanding no. Enya sa obeye niema any kwan say we den. And the form equity looking just see a shakoto when any news
or form the movie.
First nan catch Chelsea shakoto news. Benne with this current form. Yes, I got to go news. Koto come a say na why are they?
Obobo ni have a coda. Over
community to say
that we catch na. Try that's it was ya betre kaka se kira ba hu e be ya pa you see the baby efi cause I want to remember score line Bishop memle na so be ko o bibi kara
the telephone na
lazy adolada ola me da telephone ase ababe o bibi ka
yes ro mo say and na bonu nsia omumra baba stadium very beautiful football very bibi so come and see something okay 20 cities, 30 cities, 40 cities, not 70 cities. They were told a hybrid online and a gate uba benya ticket.
Come on,
yeah. And I'm very baby. Amankuna. And the technical team member.
Brother, of late news or book of the matches.
Fit and Chibia, name when they are Mancona.